I'm just going live on my starting Zoom screen while
Going live
my
on like my
stuff
channel.
open. Wait, what, did I have VideoTube open the entire time since last time I streamed? That'd be
Do you
really
not turn
funny.
your computer off?
No.
Oh,
I just like put it to sleep.
weird.
Uh, uh,
I always turn my computer off every night
there we
whenever
go.
I go to bed.
That's weird. Although I might start doing that because my stupid mouse keeps turning on for no reason, even though the computer's asleep and has lights on it. So when I turn it on, when it turns on, it wakes me up.
Yep.
Well, it doesn't like wake me up because it's below me, but it's like annoying when I wake up and it's like, why is there a giant light underneath my bed? Where's your stream?
Right there.
Oh, oops! I accidentally added the Yawn album to my
Why is my music not playing?
queue. Oh well, we're listening to Yawn for a bit.
There we go.
Am I streaming? I'm streaming. Oh, let me get the Twitch stuff set up, and then I'll go live. Okay, Yawn kind of goes hard. Hold up. This fire.
Do I have? Okay. I have to finish the hand rewrite code today. Like I have to.
Okay.
Or the deck.
Yeah.
Rewrite code because like I want this to be done. I don't even remember what's missing from it exactly.
What do you mean? What do you mean? The wrist that was hurting is better. It feels perfectly fine now, but now my other wrist hurts. What do you mean?
I don't know, man. Be better.
It's my like mouse wrist. Too much Apex. Okay, is everything set up? I think. Maybe. I have Twitch. I have YouTube. Oh,
okay, I remember what's wrong with this now.
But,
when this runs out, yeah, it doesn't actually run out.
Hello. Looks like everything's working. Everything's probably working. I will send out an announcement. Oh, I need to pop you out so you can see at Bitlytic Vision.
So I think the last thing I need is card discarded. Question mark? Maybe. I think would be the last
Card
thing.
discard.
Maybe. Because I think that this would be anytime the card runs out of charges or gets just gotten rid of. Did you say we were getting rid of the dissolve effect, or what are we doing with that?
I think that they should go into like a discard pile.
Okay.
You know, kind of like how we had the idea of having the little tiny card like draw pile sticking up in the corner, like the same thing but for discard.
Interesting. I don't know how I feel about that.
I don't know why my other arm is suddenly hurting. It's annoying me. 'Cause, like, with my other hand, I could just use my mouse and like do stuff that didn't involve typing. But now it's like, let me try my wrist brace, see if that helps. I'm currently dying of a horrible injury for everybody that doesn't know. Everybody, anybody, whatever the correct terminology is, yeah. Injury. Played too much Rivals.
Diagnosed with too sweaty. Wait, ledge dashed one too many times.
Yeah.
So I was.
No, I'm almost certain it was from shielding.
Yeah. Which hand do you shield with more? Do you use left trigger or right trigger for
Left.
shield? You use
Yeah,
left.
it was 100% left because I used like my pointer finger, and that was the finger that was hurting.
I shield in Rivals now is a good question. I guess I don't shield.
The other thing is that's also what I use for like all my shortcuts for like Ace Bright. So when I'm switching between like brush and eraser and selection, it's like all my pointer finger.
So I was thinking about changing the way that this works a little bit. So whenever a card gets used, card that activates
the wrist brace, see if that helps.
Activate calls that and use card. I don't.
Announcement is sent.
Take that. Use card. Charges -1. That charge cooldown.
I'm happy that my the hand that was hurting is feeling a lot better. So that means that it's not like a horrible issue that will last forever. Like I have pretty much no pain right now.
When do I think a cert is useful? I'm trying to figure that out myself a little bit.
I don't have your chat open, and we don't share chat on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and my
The
chat thing
brick,
isn't
where
open
is the
actually.
brick? It's
Um,
really awkward.
yeah. So for assert, buddy, I need you to be on a different monitor right now, buddy. I need you to be not down there at the bottom of my screen. Whatever, it's down there forever. So asserts are useful for something that you kind of assume will never be the case. I'm really trying to figure it out myself, to be honest with you. Because alternatively, I could just do if and dot has card and do a negation on that. Then I could do like push error ga. But the reason that we use assert here is because if this ever becomes true, or I guess if this ever becomes false, so assert true means this will do nothing. Assert false means it will trigger a breakpoint, and I can actually show you. So I don't have a breakpoint here. Did I lie? Maybe I lied. No, okay, there we go. So you can see that it triggered an assert because this registers as false, which means that we get a debug breakpoint so we can go through and check on things. But in terms of the actual like build, this kind of gets like swapped out and doesn't exist. So it's kind of just like a debugging feature of just like, I think this is going to be the case, but please let me know if it ever isn't, because if it isn't, that's a problem. So pretty much that. Let me think about, so card activate, sorry. So what exactly do you do? You spawn the visual, which this is like old shit that we don't exactly want anymore, but I guess it's gonna be there forever.
My 3D printed wrist rest for my keyboard actually works surprisingly well. It's basically just like a brick.
Brick.
And that's it.
Long brick. Remember that one? Remember that old meme? No one prepares you for the emotional toll of long brick? No? Okay, fair enough.
No.
I forgot, you're like 12.
Boomer. Yeah, boomer.
So, I kind of want to split out use card. Use card is being used in a few different places, correct? Yeah, inside of the base ability, use card is being used.
Oh, doing pixel art with the wrist brace might be difficult.
So, I kind of want to move this into the deck.
This is funny.
I think it should be on use card.
Maybe we do the. Wait, is there something wrong with my monitor? Or does it just look like that?
And card use card. Use card does what? Activated emit, add card cooldown, minus equals charges. Great. And activate does what? All of this plus use card. So I can actually kill this. And then add this here. And put
something's weird with my monitor, but whatever.
Put this signal in here so that it's emit every time we use the card. And the reason we want to do that is because of something. I don't know exactly, but I think ideally everything that uses the card should go through here. Let me think for a moment. I'm thinking as fuck, dude. So let's change this. Instead of doing use card, I want to do deck.use card. And then pass in the card instance. Okay, so like that. So what exactly does this do? How does this change anything? It is a terrific question that I don't have the answer for yet.
Can't say much, but does anyone have a good procedural animation tutorial?
Okay, that does work. Minus.
Yeah, let me go find it.
So if I go back to new deck here. So I kind of want this to know how many. I guess I could just do like if card dot charges less than or equal to 0. Card discarded dot emit card. Right?
Here's a good procedural animation tutorial for you.
I think that should be fine. And then that means that I can... Oh, should card visual know about... Hold on. So I have to choose one of like 3 places to put this information. Let me jot down a quick note of where this could go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Close all. Close all. Yeah, thank you, Windows. Thank you for popping up that notification sound every single time. So, the way that the deck and card works top down is we have our deck, which contains card instances. And then we also have card visuals, which contain a card instance as well. The deck doesn't know about card visuals. Do I want the card visual to know about the deck? Kind of, but like... I guess it looks more like this. So hand has card visuals, which has card instances, which is the same thing as these stored card instances, and the hand is able to look at the deck. So I could have the hand pass down the information, but I don't... I don't know how I feel about that. Does the hand know about this stuff? Do you know about the card that you've got equipped? Or do you not? I don't think you do. Equipment slot. Technically no. I mean, kind of, but like not really. So... These should also all be current selector. That's a little not annoying, but I'm just trying to figure out what the best place for this to be would be. Because I could have a signal,
I don't know.
or I could have a listen inside of here. That's annoying. Wait, why don't you do anything? Charge is emptied, I guess is never called. Weird. Really weird, actually. So here's the UI. Hold on. Instance charge is emptied. Charge is emptied is called in here. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I've got an idea, perhaps.
Mr. Krabs.
Mr. Krabs, I have an idea. Let's see.
Oh, yeah, so true.
Sorry, my fault. Let's see. So I could have this unequipped a card. Ooh, no. Well, no, I definitely could. I could say like if card equals equipped card, equipped card. So this would unequip it whenever I do this. I go like that. Unequips. Doesn't discard it though, which is a little annoying, but whatever. This does pass it back into the hand though, which is like kind of ass and cheeks. So I'm thinking maybe we don't do that.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we don't do that.
Although, no, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Because this emits the signal, card unequipped, which is fucking annoying.
Wrist brace low-key kind of comfy, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, let me find out what this would do. Hold on. I'm curious now. Deck.card. Discarded. Connect. On card. Discarded. Which means we need this function declared. So this would for visual in visuals, visual dot. If visual dot instance equals card. I'll just print this out for a second. I don't remember how we're doing this in the current code, so I'll have to actually take a look and see. Is it in here? Yes, it is. So here, add card, dissolve card. Dissolve card is the method I want. This does card activate, instantiate. Gives it that and that, adds the child and sets the card. Okay, terrific. And then inside of here, back where this was, I can grab that scene. Okay, we're getting there, potentially.
Potentially.
Oh shit, I need to remove that from the visual. Ah shit, fuck off, fuck off. Visuals dot erase visual. And then I also need to have all position cards or position visuals again. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Brain you could do and seeing all that's happening. The player node alone is terrifying. Can't stay for now, but we checking out your channel seems fun. It is fun. It is a lot, but you don't have to do all of it at once. It's mostly stuff that you add on to over time, thankfully. This unequipped. Why did this unequipped? Why did you unequipped? New deck.gd. Am I calling unequipped somewhere? I am. Sorry. If card charges 0 in that. That didn't work. Oh, cool. Okay. Is that a bug that we currently have in the game? Or is that specifically for this new code that I just wrote that's ass cheeks?
What bug? I don't know.
Whenever you... Oh, it's because I'm calling unequipped. That's why. Duh.
Oh.
Oops. Yeah.
Silly.
Okay, it was because I was calling unequipped. However, that's still a problem. Although, hold on. You don't necessarily have to be... You don't necessarily have to know about that, do you? I guess the equipment could handle that. Yeah, I think it could, but I don't want to. Func solve card. Void. Card instance or discard card. If card equals equip card. Ah shit, no, I shouldn't do that here. That's stupid and dumb. Bad, very bad. So this would be Svar. Oopsie. Or no, not oopsie, but yes, oopsie. This one.
Oopsie.
Are discarded.
not oopsie.
Yes, hand card. If it's this, then we want to do discarded equals visual, and then erase it from the list. We want to say if not visual. If equipment slot dot equipped card equals. Well, are you a visual or a hand card? Okay, dope. Cool.
Oops.
If equipped card and equipped card dot instance equals. Sorry, I see chat moving just a little bit, but give me a moment. I'm locking in. Okay, so if we have a discarded card now, then I want to say if discarded, solve visual discarded. I would also like to say equipment slot dot equip card. Yes, I think that works. Only thing this doesn't do is let the equipment know, like the actual player equipment know that the card has been unequipped, but I think that's fine for now. Okay, so that card did disappear, but it's still attached to the player. That's fine. I hit middle click and it unequipped, and I didn't expect it to, but that's... Uh-oh. Okay, sorry, hit a traditional day on Saudi a word? Sorry, I'm not 100% understanding what you... Excuse me. I'm not 100% understanding what you're saying, but these assets are drawn by my friend here, this guy that I have on the stream. He's actually drawing some more stuff right now over here. Look at him go. Everyone's looking at your drawing now.
Oh.
Yep.
Trying to draw with a wrist brace on.
They're all
It's
like,
not
damn, bro,
going
this
very
guy's
well."
drawing with a wrist brace on. This looks terrible. Yeah.
Yeah, it's terrible.
A lot of coding. How do you understand it? Repetition, mainly. Pretty much that. If visual. Excuse me. Fuck. Okay, so I unequip the card from the player again, which is a problem because you should be here. Card unequipped is a signal. Are you using new deck? You are. Card unequip your card. Okay. I also want to have a on card removed. Who are you? Oh, sure. Fuck it. Deck dot card. Discarded. Deck card. Discarded. Yes, I think that's what I want. I should unequip it, perhaps. Oh shit, it didn't actually... Oh no, it does position the cards, it's just that it looks weird. And then this should unequip the card and discard it, and now whenever I attack... Yeah, okay, cool. Uh-oh. Your card is being called because of the function unequip card. What? Wait, what? Oh. Wait, no. Huh?
Huh?
Equip card, unequip card. Equipped card is apparently set, despite the fact that I just killed it. Oh, because I never got rid of that, did I? Where's the discard card signal being called again? If card, or if card equals card, equipped card equals null, mayhaps, I think is what I want. Oh, sorry. There's a thing called 2D HD2D. I don't really like it. Because it's kind of too many post-processing effects all in one. And kind of just becomes like a mush of nothingness. Hey, that didn't. Why didn't that do that? How am I doing it currently? I'm gonna take a look at this file on the current branch because I want to see how I'm doing this because I think there's an issue with the way I'm coding this I need to account for. Player equipment.gd. So the way that we're currently doing it is... Oh shit, sorry, that's the current code. Where is... Player equipment is somewhere on my screen right now, I think. I cannot find it. There it is. So we were just doing on hand card removed. We were doing on card removed, which was a function that did remove card. Sick. It called the put away function. Okay. And then also emit a signal called card removed, which was off of this, which then linked into the player, I think. No, I have no idea where that was being used. I don't think it was, to be honest with you. I don't think it was. Okay, that's fine. So I think instead what I can do is I can say current ability dot put away. So when this runs out of ammo, this should discard itself and not actually... It shouldn't stop the last shot. It does. Shit. What am I doing wrong? So our old code was working fine, and I broke it. Many such cases.
Many such cases.
Many such cases, actually. So clear card. We disconnect. We set the ability on the card to that. Clear card. And now we do current ability unequip. Why are we doing current ability unequip? Oh wait, am I stupid? Did I put this in the wrong spot? I think I did.
You might be.
Shit. I think I put this in the wrong spot. Hold on. Card unequipped. It would be in clear card. It'd be this. These two are swapped, I think. Cool, and now it's not actually unequipping. Heck. Damn it. Do that. Clear card does put away. Put away is a function that sets putting away to true.
It's wonderful.
Yeah, exiting. This is empty. We just do Q free. What was the purpose of this exactly? Well, I know what the purpose of it is, but like... Okay, let me try refreshing this. Oh, sorry. You feel that 3D gaming or 2.5D is good? 2D is old and there's no new ideas? I disagree. I think that there's a lot of things that we haven't done in any medium of gaming yet. For better or for worse. Okay, maybe I didn't have these flipped. Maybe
I think the lot would be better if it was 3D.
Alright, buddy. Yeah, that's not... Okay, hold on. I don't remember what this code does, apparently. So in player equipment, sure. Clear card. Clear card is called in two cases, which is when the card is unequipped, we will do unequipped and then clear card. And then if the card is discarded, console.print discarding. Okay, we're gonna do the old prints. Clearing. Unequipping. We're gonna roll this back and we're gonna try this. So kunai meow bap, bap, bap. Okay, so clearing is called whenever I swap between them. That's wrong. That's very wrong. It should be calling this. Is it not? You should be on card equipped on one. Top one. Well, then that raises a few different questions, but it's fine. Okay, this didn't... Discarding, clearing, null. Discarding. Yes. Your card. It should do that. Oh. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Fuck, that's annoying, I think. I think the problem is for the attack itself. Whenever I do put away is called and does some shit. Okay, so I'm doing use card. This is using the card and taking the charge away. And then, yeah. That's not particularly enjoyable. So this will call the deck code. Okay, I'm in signal hell right now. That's what's happening. I put myself in signal hell. We're calling the deck code. This causes the emit for a discard. The discard says, oh, it's time for you to be discarded, and then causes it to queue an animation. However, the actual attack overrides that and does something else. I could get through with this by doing a call deferred here. I think. Yeah, like that should be unequipped, but it's not. I think this will get rid of this now. Yeah, okay, cool. So that did get rid of that. Cool. We're just gonna call that good for now. I need to add back in mana cost and swap cooldowns, and I think we should be good.
Happiness.
You said what?
No.
I don't understand what you said.
Happy.
Happy.
Yippee.
Okay. Let's see.
Woohoo.
Okay, cool. So that does work.
Woohoo.
If I equip and unequip, it seems like this works about the way we would expect. Okay, cool. So now I need to add back in mana cost, and I need to add back in swap cooldown, because currently I can... Oh.
Oh.
I don't understand. Wait. Brother. Deck. New deck? Question mark. Should have something cool in it. Yeah, so I'm doing use card. Card discarded emit. I'm not actually removing this. Oh, I need to do that. Ah, shit. I need to put it into the discard pile because currently that's not a thing. So I'm going to card discarded emit hand dot erase card. And I'm going to say discard dot end card. Did I not have... I thought I had a function here that was... Draws empty, shuffle the current discard pile into that. If not draws empty, return. Shuffle draw. This is done after every... So we draw a card. Try shuffle draw after it. Okay, so this was the place that I actually cared about a lot, which was I wanted to make sure... Yeah. Okay. Funk. Discard card. I wanted to make sure that this actually did something as well, which was discard card. Pass that in here. So I need this to know about the try shuffle draw, because I want this to shuffle either when you discard a card or when you... I think it would just be that, right? Right, because we would draw a card. I'm going to try to shuffle, and I would see that that is empty. Yeah, okay, so I actually need to do this here whenever a card is added to discard. I guess anytime the discard array is fucked with, I would like to try to shuffle it back in if the draw pile is currently empty. Yeah. Oh shit, cool. Oh, you know what? You're so right. I hadn't actually attempted this with just one card in my hand ever, so that's kind of cool.
Backward.
A little bit. So does this actually go away? This does actually go away. Yeah, okay, cool. So now, what is missing from the functionality of the deck?
Meow.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
True. Hey, you're the car guy? Car guy, can you speak up?
Meow.
You should be able to. I hope.
Meow. Meow.
Hello, Bond. How you doing? So this has an issue of... What exactly? Being -1? Yeah. I need you to, like, stop doing this.
Better than -2. You know what I'm saying?
Depends. But yeah, I get what you're saying. That's kind of true. Yeah. If hand is empty, return. Hey, buddy. Just curious. How did we get here? How did we ever get here to this function call?
Me when I have every status effect at once.
How did we get here? I get it. That's a good one. You get a +2 on that one. And is empty is true.
Yeah.
So
see, I can like sometimes be funny. It's a rare occurrence.
Wait, I actually have no fucking clue how we ever got here. So, if hand is empty, we return from this function. And the issue right now is in get selected card, hand is empty. In what world? In what world does this ever happen? Hand is empty, brother. We shouldn't have a selected card. Hand is empty. We should never got. We should have not gotten here. Okay, we'll do another hand is empty check here. If hand is empty, return null. Dude, I don't care at this point. Fuck it. Pop off, man. You got it. Oh, because it was one card and then I equipped it and then it became no card. Oh, goodbye selection marker. What? Hmm. Excuse me? Why are you not selected?
Okay. Rest my wrist a little bit. It's not doing bad at all. It's not good.
Hmm. Okay, I see the issue that's happening here. Kind of. I believe this thinks that its current card selected is like if I were to do a console.print current selected. This is going to be the kunai no matter whether or not it's selected at all or not. Yeah, look. Like I could just do current selected equals null, but that feels wrong and gross and yuck. Oh, if there, oh, this thing, current selected. Actually, I could just do this here. Yeah.
No. Sorry. I'm like sleepy today. I even took a nap after work.
Brother, you don't need to get our attention. I'm not responding to it because I don't want to respond to your messages. You're just saying stupid shit just over and over. Yeah, I get you're sorry for last stream. But shut up. It's like, I'm sorry, but like, shut up.
Literally is a YouTube Shorts commenter.
No, genuinely, dude. Go scroll on YouTube Shorts and find someone to game dev with. I don't. Okay, is this is still being used? I think the same amount that I would expect it to. Maybe not. We'll find out. Oh, hey, that like.
Wait, am I drawing on?
Word? That's surprising.
Yeah, I'm drawing on the right layer. Okay, I'm stupid sometimes.
Wait, does this shit work now? Put card.
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
You know, you want to stream Rivals?
No. Did you know they added Binding of Isaac to Fortnite?
Yeah, I saw.
Fucking
Kinda
insane.
goated.
That's what it is. It's
And
insane.
they added Deep Rock Galactic like a couple weeks earlier.
Whoa, dude, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Hell streamer. Get out of here, dude. You're
L streamer.
fucking annoying.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a terrible streamer. It's
Oh,
over.
that's the guy from.
I know. That's
Okay,
why
I don't know if
it's
you've seen their
funnier.
messages.
Makes
Like,
it even funnier.
buddy, come on, man. You don't keep this up, bro. Get your parents involved. I'll tell them to fucking reduce your screen time from 2 hours a day to 1 hour. All right, buddy. Get some parental controls on that
I remember,
iPad and come back later.
What stream had a guy like that for a while. He might still be in there. It's kind of funny though.
It's like a little funny, but it's like I don't like looking over there and seeing
His
like
is
just
funny
the...
because his chat is like so much busier that like it doesn't get.
Oh, it kind of gets like flooded out.
Yeah, but it's funny.
That's funny. Okay.
And sometimes they'll be like, "Oh, check out my art on the Discord," and then he'll go look, and it's just like this really horribly scribbled thing.
Aw, poor guy.
It's really funny. It's definitely like just like a kid who wants attention. Just like you can't really blame them. It's not entirely their fault. I mean, it's like entirely their fault. They're annoying, but like
okay. So what I can do here
there's a difference between just like being annoying and just being a kid, you know?
Yeah. This is
sometimes they're both, but
let me think for a moment. I need to add controller selection back. Let me do that. I'll do that, and I think we should be good with this. Controller, card.
okay. I'm almost done with my parallax layer. I forgot that I only did half of it last stream. So I'm doing the top half now.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Did the bottom part.
Selector. Dude, the internet's fucking unfortunate sometimes. Really great invention. Really bad usage. So, let's see.
Hey, like, let's make silly games and meet silly people.
Oh, you know, I guess
I don't do that in real life.
all of this code will be the exact same.
When is the demo
right?
release planned? Probably in like a week or two. Just kidding. No, it's not. That's not true.
Yeah, that's not true in the fucking
Do not
slightest.
quote that.
Do not listen
Do
to
not
him.
quote that.
He's putting me on deadlines that we can't
We
keep.
want to have a play test like by the end of October, hopefully.
This is correct.
Which I think we will hit.
Yeah, I think we will.
Likely.
I think that
And it'll be like decently close to a demo. It will obviously. I don't think it'll be the demo.
Oh, did I send you the video about
Maybe-
demos?
No.
Okay, I need to
What
send you a
about them?
video about demos. Demos are not a playtest. Demos are trying to sell the game in a state where people will want to buy it. Playtest.
Yeah, that's why I said it's not a demo.
Yeah. Let me see if I can find it. It was by Indie
But
Game
it may
Clinic.
be like it'll be like gameplay wise it should hopefully be similar to what demo might be like. You know.
This video, I'm really going to
There you
focus
go. Closed. Thank you, YouTube, for freezing for 4 seconds after I pressed
By the way, you didn't send out a stream announcement.
Yeah, that's great. That's fine. Anyone who... It's fine. I know Cosmic's upset. Cosmic's gonna be like...
Yep, me too.
What do you think Cosmic sounds like?
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, okay. I didn't know he
Yeah.
was... Yeah. No, that makes sense. I see that.
Wouldn't technically be a demo now. Not really. It is a playtest. Where you play the game and you test it. It's the only purpose. You're not allowed to have fun. No fun allowed.
This is true.
Insert stop having fun emote from Rivals of Aether 2.
What is the... Hold on, I need... What would be... So left on the joystick is... Why am I, like, asking this? Left on the joystick is obviously -1. How are we getting joystick input again?
Aim direction, I'm pretty sure still, right?
There's aim direction, but I think I would rather just get the raw input from, like, get axis? What does get joy axis
Can you,
do?
like, look at the old code? Where you did it?
What?
I'll show you
Why do you
guys that you won't get the urge to abandon the project. It's been over a year, so I think we're past that.
Well, not
a
me.
little bit.
Hasn't been a year for me. I don't know. It could still happen. Who knows? Maybe the 2nd October hits. I'm like, listen, man, I don't know if I can do this anymore. I've been using
Once you start making content, maybe.
I've been making Godot
Godot,
for
like,
making
2
Godot. I've been
years?
using Godot for Ludum Dare 53. I think was the first one. Or Ludum 50, maybe. Ludum 50.
50, 53, close enough.
Which one was Ludum 50? You, by chance, you do. You have the theme. Yeah, Delay the Inevitable. April 2022 was whenever I switched to using Godot full time as like the engine that I cared about the most.
Meow 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 meow.
Okay.
Meow
All right.
meow 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 meow.
Dude, I'm glad I get the front row show to
Sorry.
front row seat to whatever the hell that is.
The whole song just changed. I don't know what it was.
Probably a Pikuniku soundtrack song, if I had to
It
take
might
a
have
guess.
been.
Oh, you're running every frame, and that's a problem because you aren't active. Nodes don't have a set active function, right? I hate that I have to ask that. April 22nd, 2023. Or 2022, sorry. Current selector dot.
My favorite silly boy game dev streamers.
True.
Ooh woo.
True.
Oh whoa.
I need a function inside of. Don't oh whoa. Bad. That. Very bad.
Ooh woo.
I think I can just do set process input active and set physics process active
Wrist is
and set process
stretched.
active. I
Back to
believe
work.
these should be enough. Func connect selector card selector. Will be all of this shit, I guess. Put in here. Ooh, I want to play Caves of Cut so bad.
Ooh, you wanna play Caves of Cud? Ooh.
Ooh, you're a Cud caver.
Ooh, I wanna play No Man's Sky.
Ow, gross.
Anybody here played No Man's Sky?
Nobody
The
say.
new update is
Don't
so
say
cool.
anything. Don't let him.
No,
Don't let him receive happiness from this.
you're mean. Everybody hates me.
Connect selector mouse. Card
Especially at
selector,
bitlytic dev.
selector.
Bitlytic.dev.
Bitlytic.dev. That is my website that you can go to and see the most not updated website in history.
Has like anybody seen that website? I feel like
Yeah,
I'm probably
I've
the
shown it
only
on
person on the
stream.
planet who knows that website.
I've shown it
Okay.
on stream before, and I've shown it to
Like
some people in my
once.
server.
I'm convinced nobody knows it exists. Well, I cannot draw this line.
Okay, and I need a card controller card selector. Controller card selector.
I honestly wonder if like a little button controller thingy for like keyboard shortcuts would be better than a keyboard. So I'm not like hopping around keys over and over again. Because I know they have those for like art programs where there's like all the buttons and stuff, and some have like knobs and things like that. I don't know.
Hold on. Yeah, I started learning GDScript when I switched to Godot. I've used Python before, and it's very similar to Python, but like a good language. You broke the project a few times making autoload canvas scene a tool script. It would spin off the editor. Yeah. I mean, you can always disable that by going into the project.godot file in here. You can go here and then
How do you do that?
double click. I just opened it up in Godot. Fuck, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. I don't want two Godots open. They're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. They're gonna fight for control over the project. Get out of here. You can right click on this and then open with code. And you'll be able to see anything you have enabled in here. So if there was a plugin that you wanted to disable, you could go in here and find it and then say meh and then kill it. Also, like Git is your best friend because being able to revert things like that is really nice.
But Bitlytic, what's Git?
Git is a version control software VCS program that allows you to say, hey, I've made this change and push it up to a repository, which is just a collection of your code. And then you can do that. If you make any changes, then those are stored on top of those changes. And if you want to ever go back to an old version, you can do that. Or if you want to revert specific changes, you can do that as well.
Wow, thank you, Bitlytic.
No problem.
Nerd. Yeah, so real. I agree.
Yeah, it's
Such
fucked
a
up as
nerd.
evil.
It's gross.
What am I doing in here? Oh yeah, I need to check if the controller one is working, and the answer is
Type
no.
meow in
It's
the
not
chat
active.
if you hate nerds.
You say meow in the chat if you hate nerds,
Yeah.
brother. Oh wait, well, I need the ability to tell when the input has swapped from mouse to keyboard or mouse to controller. So if I go to controls.gd, do we have a signal in here? We don't. Guess who's about to have a signal called input type switched.
I just realized that my monitor has very different colors when I look at it from a slightly different angle.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm like slightly above it. And then if I like lean back, I'm like kind of at level with it. And it's a lot like darker when I like am at the same level as it.
Interesting.
Maybe I should like... What do you mean interesting?
What
Are you calling me like stupid?
That's not... What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
Oh, okay. It sounded like you were being mean.
What do you mean
Well,
interesting?
I'm just like...
Dog, it's
just
interesting.
like-
I don't know, man.
That's just like... normally you like are insulting me.
Oh, my fault, dude. My fault, man. You're right. You're right. Fuck you. That's
I'm
stupid.
joking.
Um,
Hey, stop.
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 All right, buddy. You
What? What did I do?
Jack, clip that, send it in my Discord. We're gonna use it to make fun of him now.
No, please.
He's like,
Please
no,
don't.
no, I don't like boys. And then he's like, stop. Like, brother. I'm so tired of this. Where's this being used? Is this being used anywhere in the project? Fuck, it's being used all over the project.
Anyways, yeah, art or whatever, drawing.
Const input type is control stud. No, that's what I'm saying, dude. He definitely likes boys. Sorry. Oh yeah. The moving platforms around and saying like start here and end here is like so fucking sick. Genuinely. These scripts are strictly for Godot, unlike other languages like C# that can be used in many other engines and IT tech jobs. Yeah, but the principles behind Godot transfer between languages. It's just like syntax changes, and like syntax changes are like the least like issue of all code changes. So it's kind of like you can kind of get away with it a little bit. If input type equals input type dot keyboard. And I would like to say selector current selector is equal to mouse card selector. Yeah. Input type
What the no.
switched. Boy kisser. You're a boy kisser, aren't you? You like kissing boys.
Oh.
Yup. Selector dot set active false. And then we will do. I could just do a match statement. I'll do a match statement. Fuck it.
Statement.
I don't even think you could do a match statement first try without like looking up the syntax. Just like fair, because like the
This
syntax in
is
Godot is a little
true.
weird.
I don't really I guess match statements make sense. But like it's yeah, I don't know.
There's honestly not a whole lot of reason to use them over an if elif unless you like really want to. I like doing it because it's like this matches to this matches to this, so it's kind of like clear.
Yeah, it makes sense, I guess.
don't know if that's gonna work. I guess we'll find out. Oh shit, it like kind of did. Oh no, it didn't. No, it didn't. It didn't work in the fucking slightest.
Oh,
Why is that card off center? Oh, because the selection's weird. Output parse error, no. Is it because I changed the... Oh, because I didn't connect the signal because I gotta restart the game. Okay, so this one's active and then mouse becomes active. Oh, dude, that's sick. That's actually sick as fuck.
wait, what the what?
It's hard. You can't actually see anything yet. But you see how the numbers are printing? That's like my right joystick like moving. And the second
whoa.
I turn it to mouse, it stops doing that. And that's because this is switching between the
that's
two
nice.
different card selectors.
It's pretty cool.
Not that we're going to have a third card selector, but like I'd rather have these.
But like, what if, you know?
What would
like,
even be a third card selector,
gotta
brother?
make it expandable.
That's true. I don't know what the
Alright,
third card selector would
Alright,
be,
bro.
but like...
Alright, bro, wrap it up. Just put the code in the bag.
I guess I could do aim direction. I could remap aim direction to be from -1 to 1 and then make it 0 to 1. Unless, what is selected ratio? I'm like stupid. It's 0 to 1, right? I guess we'll find out. We'll find out very quickly what aim ratio is supposed to be. So real. Yeah, there we go.
Oh. GDScript has its similarities like to Python, but it's buffed for game dev because people be using Pygame. I can't tell if you're saying Pygame is good or bad.
Pygame is alright.
I don't know.
Oh,
I haven't used it, but it looks bad. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know anything about it, but I just don't like it because I love basing my opinions off of nothing.
What? Wait. What? The fuck
What
was that? Hold on.
Me when I'm Plankton and I made a robot.
Oh shit. Mouse card selector. You're doing something weird, aren't you? You're doing something very weird right now, and I don't like it. I
We
understand.
all working on a project together. How does that work? Magic.
Are you not going to give them the actual answer while I'm looking through this code?
No, because that's your job.
You can give them the actual answer because I'm looking through this code right now.
You're the nerd.
Brother, answer them. No.
What is the answer? But I don't.
All
What's the right
buddy.
thing?
Okay, buddy.
I mean, I know it's like version control or whatever, but I don't know how to describe that to like normal people.
What do you mean? Oh my god. So the way it works is, so you can see in here,
Yeah, I told you he'd explain it.
I have a list of my changes, and then I can go in here and I can say, okay, well, these changes I'm fine with. So I could like click the plus, which means to stage that change, which was just me removing this line. And then I could go up here and I could commit it, which would take the changes that I've stashed, or I guess staged.
Okay, here, actually, I can explain it. So I open up this program here, I type in whatever I did in here, and then I push this button.
Anyways.
It's pretty simple.
So you just basically say what changes you want to go forward. So for example, if I wanted all of these to just go through, I could do this and then click the plus and it would stage all of them. And then you can give it a message and then push that up to GitHub. And then any changes he makes, I can pull onto my machine. And you can see right here,
Yeah.
you have all of
The
our
way I do
changes
it is a lot
together
easier, but
that are kind of
he
like
likes being a nerd, so.
combined together. Well, it is better for this because there's a reason you don't take
Alright.
care of merge conflicts.
Alright. Sometimes I push random buttons and it fixes stuff.
Yeah. And sometimes you push random buttons and you message me on Discord, Biddy, I need help. The project isn't loading.
Sometimes. Maybe. That might happen.
Okay, I need to rewrite this physics process function, which is get selected card will actually do get index, which needs to grab selected ratio.
Select an A ratio.
me
I'm selecting it.
ratioly. So I think the issue.
Are you gonna get Aethermancer?
I don't know what that game is about. I haven't seen much
That's
about it other
the-
than off-brand posting about
okay.
it.
It's a. I don't know about it either. That's that's what I was asking.
Uh,
If it looks like as a roguelite, it's like. So like that's one upside, I guess. I think it's a roguelite,
it might be.
but I was thinking
Ooh,
maybe I try that
I could do.
since I'm pretty sure it's just like since it's turn based, I'm pretty sure it's just like mouse. Not to worry about pushing lots of buttons and hurting my wrist.
Oh my god, this
My
guy.
weak little wrist.
We
can't play
little
games.
wrist can't play fucking games anymore, dude.
Yeah, no games.
Games.
Gotta rest up. I got a tournament coming up.
Games
Or we got a
unlimited.
tournament coming up. We gotta win. Oh yeah, did you see we're no longer playing against
Yeah, I did.
what's his face?
Lucius.
Yeah.
I actually don't know the people that we're playing
Which is
against.
good.
Unfortunately,
That's probably a good thing.
it's probably a good thing. Yeah.
We'll probably still get cooked.
Oh,
but, like, it'll
sorry.
be fun.
How big is the game? How far close on a scale are you to consistent? To confidently release a demo? I don't know, to be honest with you.
That's a good question.
I don't know how much more
We don't know
programming
either.
there's gonna be after, like, it's gonna be abilities at some point, right? And then it's just gonna be like,
Yeah, like cards.
which is like the part I'm not.
I think a lot of it is
super
going to be
looking
adding content, but I'm sure we're going to find like a million little things.
I'm sure that eventually it's
once
going
we
to
start
hit
adding content.
a point that we're just gonna like, not breeze through, but I think it's gonna go fast.
Yeah, but so I think it's probably going to be like a mixture of it's going to go faster once we're just adding content, but also we're going to find lots of little things that we need to add or fix.
Like, why is that cursor still on my screen? Why?
Yeah,
I know why that cursor's still on my fucking
and like
screen.
menus and things like that.
Menuing is
and
like
then
annoying.
also-
Translations, if there's translations.
Yeah, that's something
Uh,
I've honestly think that we might want to start looking into soon. At least like implementation, not necessarily like actually getting it translated, but just if we want to get it translated, having a backend for it that will allow that to happen. And I mean, with Godot, I'm pretty sure it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
It's just making sure that like font sizes and things like that will scale. Because I think if we just make the thing scale based on, like, maybe if it's not English, we can have it automatically scale. So that way, if just, because a lot of languages have long words for things. German.
Hold on. I just wanted to test some text really quickly. Where is their text currently? I guess.
On the cards. I think that's gonna be like the main issue. Is like on the cards, it's really big. It's not gonna work with the font, by the way, because I made that font.
I don't know, man.
What do you mean that works?
I don't know, man. That looks like it works to me.
Hello. That's insane. There's no way that works.
It's because it
Hey,
falls.
Grok,
It falls back to the
translate my
system
game.
font because there's no.
Oh, interesting.
There's nothing else back there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's there's no character for it.
Yeah, I believe it would work for like basically any language then.
Yeah.
Korean.
Interesting.
Like,
Cool.
oh, I have to update the thing. Let me add another card to my hand. Yes, that's in Korean, which you wouldn't have been able to tell. It is very unreadable though.
It's square.
It's very, very unreadable.
Yeah, I mean, we could obviously make it bigger. Because comparatively, like, the characters are a lot smaller on there than ours.
Yeah, we do work in this main lava place. We haven't done a second level yet. A lot of it has been.
Yeah, that's just because
Horizontal
that's like the
slice,
room
I
that you
think.
spawn into, so we kind of just like dump everything.
Yeah,
working
anything
on
that we're
there.
working on, we just toss in here. As we're working on
Like,
it.
there's other rooms if you want to run through there. There's like,
Yeah, we
other
have this room
rooms.
over here.
anybody's watching my stream, which they probably aren't.
It's just that room is honestly really nice for just like trying things out, just because it is so simple that there's no real like, man, this looks weird because of this room. This looks weird because of this room.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, there's also a second level that we want to do at some point. But
Also, if like you end up running around for testing, then you run the risk of getting jump scared by the boss.
that's true.
Because you're not paying attention to where you're going.
The boss is fucking terrifying.
Yeah.
What would this be called?
Bro, I learned that apparently in No Man's Sky, giant worms can spawn on planets, and they're terrifying.
Whoa. Vertical selection is... Ah, shit.
I am not a big fan of large creatures. They added like underwater exploring to No Man's Sky, but I'm literally never going to interface with it in my entire life because I hate water. and
Oh, I guess I could do this.
Fish, anything. Subnautica is literally like awful. I will never play Subnautica ever in my entire
Ever?
life.
Oh my god, dude,
You
this
could not
guy's
pay me like.
terrible.
Actually, you could probably pay me a
It's
decent amount
Subnautica's
of money to
great.
get me to play Subnautica.
Subnautica's amazing.
Do you actually think it's great?
Yeah. I fuck with Subnautica.
Okay. I mean, it's a good game. I don't disagree that it's a good game. I cannot play Subnautica.
This guy hates Subnautica. I hope you guys heard that. He hates
I hate
Subnautica.
large things. I hate water.
You hate large things.
I hate like horror games.
Kaiza.
Kaiza, are you there?
Are we trying to make a, or are we planning to make a social media for the game like some popular games do? He has like a Twitter account that he posts on, I think, right?
Actually, I have an account for like everything.
He has an account for like everything that he posts
Twitter,
on. As
I
you can
have
see, he advertises
Sky,
it very
I have
much. I didn't even
Instagram.
know.
YouTube and TikTok, and I post on all those. Currently, I don't post as much as I should. I'm planning to do some like short form content once we start adding more content. So that way, I can just post it on like everywhere at once. And I was posting some of like my art on TikTok, and it was doing pretty well. So I wanna post some like game on there. I feel like it could do pretty well.
I did X, didn't I? I did X, yeah. Should be.
But I think I'm gonna do some like narrated videos, because I think those might do better than just like gameplay with like text or something like that. Because I know a lot of people will be like, "Oh, I added this, and it does something." I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, I have this backwards.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know how to make
I don't.
videos, guys.
That's okay though.
Yeah, you don't either. That's why you haven't uploaded in like 12 years.
Boy, he's correct.
How do you guys say one should go about advertising as a solo dev? Make a good game, make a good Steam page. I don't know anything else besides that. Do those, and then I don't know. Good luck.
Yeah, pretty much that. Okay, the card selection.
I do need to make a trailer like really soon.
Kind of working now.
Maybe that's what I can work on. Like by the end of the week. Since yeah. Maybe that's a goal.
Maybe. Mayhaps.
I don't know if it'll happen, but that gives me something to do while you're fixing up some of the systems before I try and mess around with those.
Yeah.
Will the trailer be fire animation or clips of the gameplay? Gameplay.
Only gameplay?
Only game. I was thinking of maybe getting, at least for like the final trailer, I was thinking of getting some of your help to do some like cool animated stuff with like the cards and like stickers, so you could have like a cool animation showing off how like you can add stickers to the cards.
Yeah, because I was
And then,
picturing
like-
a few more VFX things than just the clips of the gameplay. I think that there will be a couple of things.
Yeah.
Did we have a
Yeah, then I was
storyboard?
thinking of having like a
We don't
bunch
have a
of
storyboard
the
right now.
cards. Nah, not yet.
We should make a.
I have some notes.
Yeah,
I
we
have
have
some
notes.
notes about,
Do you mind if I show this on
stream?
stream, or would you rather me not?
Yeah, it's okay. I think I just like stole that from some GMTK videos.
Okay.
I just like copied on all the stuff.
Who's playing? Because the
And then
one
what's
has
his
to be
face?
good. It's me. So, please show hook, explain the hook, consider how someone will talk about the game. Simply you make the idea, the word is shared. Hold open, high intensity, slow down, escalation. I think this was the thing that we were talking about with this, where... Sorry, what?
Yeah, I wrote that down. Yeah.
You guys ever worry about how much time starts passing as you spend it working on years-long projects that have no guarantee of succeeding to any degree? Me, no.
No. Me actually probably more than him because he has an actual job.
Yeah.
I work at a coffee shop, but at the same time, I'm like, I was about to say that I'm 12, but I'm not 12. Twitch, don't ban me.
Yeah.
I am not 12. I am a legal adult, but I'm fairly young comparatively, so like it's not like I'm dying and this is my last hope of survival. I mean, it kind of is, but like,
yeah,
I pretend that it's not. If it fails, then I have to go like work in an office for the rest of my life, and there's nothing I can do about it.
That's not how that works, but yeah. No, I've got like a very...
My brother just got an office job.
Yeah, I have a stable...
Now I get to laugh at him.
Life situation right now, so a lot of this is like just a for fun thing for me, and that's kind of like the...
Yeah, that's why I can get away with not paying biddies, because he already has a good job.
That's not... No.
Keep getting paid, don't worry.
I'm gonna pull this up in court one day and they're gonna be like, see, he said it was fine.
Don't. I said it was a joke. For legal purposes, it's a joke.
Sorry, what am I doing in here?
We should get that kind of stuff figured out at some point soon.
What I wanted to do.
Honestly, more with just like publishing the game, because I know that can be more work.
Yeah.
If you have multiple people working on it. Probably by the end of the year, we should get that figured out. Especially if we want to release in like early next year, which won't happen, but yeah. And also, this is supposed to kind of just be like a figure out how to make a game and publish it, and then make a better game later. But I think it's kind of a good idea and worth working on. So like, yeah, we're like taking forever, but after this, I plan to hopefully make more games that I can kind of strategize more effectively and make faster. I don't know. It seems like, honestly, that seems like what everybody's doing is they spend like 2 or 3 years making a game, publish it, it does okay, and then they just make a bunch of really short games really fast.
Yeah, that's kind of the vibe, I guess. Sorry,
yeah.
I
mean, at least that's my idea.
I'm kind of zoning out doing
like,
code real quick, but
if possible, I don't want to have to get like an office job, because that sounds really lame, and I don't want to be lame. I mean, it's like highly likely that that'll happen, but you know,
yeah, that's true.
You do side projects along the way as you're working on this. Oh yeah, there's actually a game jam coming up at the beginning of next month that maybe we might do.
Oh yeah, I
like
forgot
4
about
days,
that.
right?
Fuck. Oops.
Yeah. But it's also like right when the tournament's happening. So like that's half good, because then we could work on it if we wanted to. But also that's when the tournament's happening. So. We do live game dev from the tournament, like when we're not playing. Stream the tournament and game dev.
Really recommend investing
also,
in some efficiency, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't realize the tournament's 2 days, but that's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go up and stay with Justin for the week or some shit.
Okay,
or the weekend, sorry, not the week. I still need to message him about that and see, but if not, I can figure something out. Not a huge deal.
Yeah.
Oh, these would actually.
What was I going to say? Yeah, I didn't realize it was 2 days, so I had to text my boss and be like, actually, I need 1 more day off.
Actually. Sorry, what did you? 6-figure demo so the game can be funded. There is like a funding idea, but I don't know. Again, my life is very comfortable right now, so it's kind of up to JW here.
Call him Thomas Brush, the way he making 6 figures with his demo.
What did you say? Call him who?
Thomas Brush.
Who the fuck
He's
is
the
that?
Unity guy that like he always has like some course on how
Thomas
you can make 6 figures off your demo. I don't know. I don't like it.
I don't know who that
He
is.
doesn't seem like a bad person. He's just like always selling courses, and it's like, brother. And then he's like big into the AI stuff when it first came out.
I see.
He doesn't seem to be like as much anymore. I think it was more of just like a hype train kind of thing. Make a Patreon and make money off just working on a game. That involves like me having to like actually make something worth people spending Patreon money on.
There literally was a person that modded the game already.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I will say that someone literally modded the game before it fucking even released.
I think multiple people actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe at some point.
Bond should get bald.
Bond should get bald.
This is true. I think everyone should go
Yeah,
bald at some
think
point in
I
their
would
life.
agree. I think I
What am I
finished the
doing
background.
here?
I wasn't even paying attention. Did I do it?
Did he do it? Sorry.
Yeah, I finished it. Chat, the background is finished. So it says what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers if you count the solid color in the background.
Mm-hmm.
That's not terrible. Like feeling it contributed to something. That's true actually.
Does this even need to be a thing? Am I like stupid? What did I make these two functions for? I know what I made it for originally, but I don't know if they even need to be here now.
So when you start the picking, then you end up picking.
Oh, thanks. That actually, yeah, no, that makes
Okay.
a lot of sense.
Yeah.
I didn't think about it like that.
Yeah, of course. No problem. My pleasure.
All right, buddy.
Is there anything else I can get for you today?
Knock it off with your fucking Chick-fil-A ass, dude.
Like that hot or ice?
This is why you're afraid to be gay. This is your problem. It's because you worked at Chick-fil-A for so long. Tell me I'm wrong.
What are you even saying?
Exactly.
Okay.
You're afraid to show the truth because you worked at Chick-fil-A for so long. That's the problem.
I hate this guy.
Kind of funny though. Any planned development and milestones in the coming days? Yeah. The card system, I want to make it so that he can actually work with it because he wanted to work on some abilities. So I have to fix a couple of hand bugs, and then I have to implement a couple of nice features on the card side so that he can make the ability without having to deal with some of the more programmery systems.
Why did Bitlytic send me a YouTube video?
Brother, that was like an hour ago. Quite like 30 minutes ago.
Well, I wasn't paying attention. It was an hour ago. Oh, that was 30 minutes ago. Never mind.
All right, buddy. But yeah, because he wants to work on he wants to work on the SMG, which is going to be a continuous fire card.
It's gonna go like bing, 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 bing.
I also,
bing,
I want to
bing,
add,
bing.
I know I shouldn't worry about VFX right now. I know it's like the least important thing in the world right now. But I really do want to add the peek through for the cards.
Important.
I want to add a peek through so whenever enemies are behind the cards, it kind of dithers. Oh yeah, I was thinking about that. Yeah. Instead of it being a transparency, what if it was a dither effect? And it was pixel perfect dither effect? That'd be kind of cool, no?
I don't really like that.
Fair enough. You guys got some specific scenarios in mind with the mechanics. I don't know, that would be up for you. I can't think about that right now.
Some specific scenarios in mind with the mechanics.
Like, I know what you're asking. No, he's asking good questions. Yes. kind of. We don't want multiple decks in the next card, or in the next demo, or in the next playtest thing. I would like to have a decent selection of weapons, and I would like to have a more set in stone selection of cards. Some of the interesting things that we would like to do with the mechanics are add some sort of movement cards, kind of. Or at least cards that influence your movement. I would like to add cards that are specifically good against certain types of enemies. So if you have like swarmers, something like a shotgun would be really good for that. As well as like not boss specific cards, but like, you know, whenever you play like a roguelike, you're like, this is really good against bosses. I'm gonna use that against the boss, but this isn't really good for clearing rooms. Would like to have a decent selection of that ready for the playtest at the end of next month. If that answers your question. Which it might not. Sorry, I just read the funniest shit in fucking chat. Oh my god. JW, you're scrolling through the chat. You're looking for it right now, or what are you looking for? JW, are you muted? He's dead. Click tap time. So if we're under that amount of time, it's considered a quick tap. Handle scrolling is something that will always be done. I would like for... Yeah, I would like for this to be a thing. Correct. So this input will block on if we're not picking a card or if it's not a quick tap, I think. Or maybe. So it won't move for the first half a second, but that won't be doing anything. Are you set to 0 or are you set to... Yeah, you are set to 0. Let's find out what's up with this. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. Did I set up the condition wrong? Current selection time is less than that. Or... is quick tap. Sorry, I think I set up the... Sorry, or it is a quick tap. Yeah, so you won't be able to move your mouse for the first half a second after you start selecting a card, or however long that ends up being, which is just that. And let's see, also... So that's that one. This is not implemented here. This one does still have that. So I need to make sure that in this, vertical selection is that if picking card and not is quick tap. The idea here is that you can press the selection button to immediately select a card. And it doesn't matter, like if I'm selecting the card on the right, but I'm aiming to the left, it doesn't actually start reading my inputs until half a second after I select the card. That's fine. I need to fix that bug, but I'll figure that out in a second. Let's see. Oh no, JW's opening up his settings menu. I see that. Why are you opening your settings menu, buddy? What's up? What's wrong? Oh, he just DM'd me? Question mark. His mic broke. Ah, okay. Cool. JW's microphone is broken, so I guess it's just us for a little bit. Okay, so the couple of bugs that need to be fixed right now. You guys stop bickering in chat. So whenever you select, whenever it changes input types, the issue is, there's a couple of issues actually, which is that if I change input types, now it thinks I'm picking a card because it was unfrozen. So how about this? Let's go here, base card selector. I would like to say picking card equals false, or is equal to, if not active, picking card equals false, because I want this to stop doing things. I don't want this to stop processing input, I think. Because I think ideally this should still process things. Oh no. So set process input active is going to be a problem to just disable because of this. If this is just released. Yeah, otherwise if we're picking card and this is just released, I would like to do that. So this only should change there, question mark. Oh, I might be like stupid. Why is this? This is an issue. Set active. So if we're not active, set that to false. And do all of this, I guess. Minus. No. I don't understand what this is doing. Or I understand what this is doing, but I'm not sure how I want to handle this. Why is the settings menu? Dude, I don't know if you guys are seeing this over on his stream. Let me pull up his stream really quickly. Dude, he's been trying to open this fucking settings menu for like 5 minutes. This stupid fucking Windows 11 settings menu is just insane. That shit's made an Electron dog. If you go to Discord settings, does it not show your microphone in there? Let's see. So if I set this to inactive, oh, let me actually, this might be a problem. Let me restart the game. So add cards. So if I swap controller input method, or swap to the controller input method, we are not selecting things. I don't understand why. Oh, because it wasn't just pressed. It doesn't register as that just pressed. Oh, I see. I understand. think I should just do this, right? Show the card. If it's that, in selection dot emit null, question mark, I think. Oh, oh no, things are broken. Things are broken. What is that? Why is that there? Oh shit, am I stupid? Oh my god. Brother, I need you to get the fuck out of my chat. I figured it was you, but I knew... I figured it was you, but I just had to wait for one fucking message. Like, dude, fuck off. Get out of here forever. Okay, so I'm setting the cursor. Oh no. In selection emit null, controls that show cursor. The problem is I'm setting it to oh, okay, I know what I can do. If picking card, then we can do this. Yes.
There we go. Hello?
Oh god, he's back.
Somehow I muted my microphone through the... How do you even do that? Is there like a keyboard shortcut?
Yes, actually.
Is there a mute button?
It depends on your keyboard. Some of the keyboards have a function and button to mute microphone.
Well, I pressed it, and it took me like 10 minutes to open the settings app to let me unmute myself because I don't know what the keyboard shortcut is.
Kind of fire, to be honest with you.
And I'm pretty sure that's not the first time I've done that. Now that I think about it, that has happened multiple times. Okay, there we go. I'm back. I hate Windows so much. What do you mean it takes literally 10 minutes to open the settings app? And it crashed like 3 times before it opened. I had to reopen it like 3 times.
I don't know, man. Be better.
What do you mean be better?
Be better? I don't know, man.
Sorry.
Oh, he's barking.
Kind of hilarious, though.
It's very funny, yeah.
Also, Bond, when I said one of you is gonna get banned, it obviously wasn't you.
Yeah, it was obviously the one that was acting like the person that got banned earlier for being a shithead dickhead. Stinky man. Oh my god. Is this gonna be a recurring character on stream?
It gives the stream some,
A little bit, yeah. It's not like the worst thing ever. I just don't want it to make... I don't want that thing to upset people.
There we go. Look at that. There's a whole nother layer up there. Look how many like little spikes there are.
Whoa.
It's actually kind of sick.
Oh,
so
it's
it feels like a
taking
little empty. In, like,
everything in my mind, everything in my fucking power to not just hit like an ooh right now. I'm just telling you that right now, Bond.
Ooh.
Mine, you've heard mine before. I've done it in my server before.
Yeah, this is really good. It's really good.
It's not just going
it's
ooh.
Like,
it's
like top tier. It's like
it's fucked up. Is what it is.
It's very high quality.
Why is this?
You could sell that for good money.
All right, buddy. You're juicing too much now. Controls. Am I like not? How the fuck am I? Oh my god. Is this you again? Are you back in here, buddy? I'm fairly certain this is you again.
It's okay. They'll run out of their allowed screen time.
That's true.
Sometime soon, I'm sure.
It's also not about beliefs. I couldn't give a fuck which religion you brought up. It's the bringing it back up and letting me know that that is in fact the person that I just banned and is now back again for more attention. How the fuck am I telling this to stop updating? Body is on floor, is in dead zone. Get input controls.
Yeah, I really
from
like the new
my
background.
pad.
But there's more floating things. Where are these coming from? Is it? Is there? Is it? Hold up. Let me go down here. Is there another one? There
Yeah.
isn't. Is it maybe that?
Hmm.
I'm trying to think what it could be. Because if there's always nope, there's more over here too. Are they always in the same place? Because maybe there's like some. No, I don't think they're in the same place.
It's almost certainly like a data issue.
It just seems weird.
Yeah, a little bit, but it happens. Where the fuck am I? Why does this have a different? This should be.
Fun if you join Biddy's Discord and join his VC, I'm sure he'll gladly demonstrate.
That might be true, but I don't know. Aim direction.
We can have a group ooh session.
Right, buddy. That's it.
Just kidding.
That's it. You're being killed. You're dead. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I know where the boss room is. I will not walk into it. It's the one to the left on here.
Walk into.
Don't want to go that way. Walk into a.
Why is the minimap not hiding?
Huh?
Did you teleport into the room that you're in currently, or
No?
No, you just ran into it normally. Weird.
It's not the boss room. No, it's not the boss room, right? It's not. It has a special. Yeah, no, it's not.
Okay, yeah, the minimap.
Yeah, it doesn't hide.
Yeah, I might have fucked up the animation. It's fine.
It's so funny how reducing the pistol damage by literally 2 makes it feel so weak.
I like the little pop-up knockback they do. That hasn't been on.
Yeah.
That's not on my version yet.
Oh, you don't have the knockback? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's funny because you like hit him on the bottom, from like the bottom, it'll be the direction from the bullet to the enemy, so it'll like pop them up if you hit him from below. You guys ever consider making an online multiplayer game, or do you consider it to be way too much responsibility, or maintenance? If I did, it would be like a co-op game, and it would be like peer-to-peer, so I don't have to worry about servers. Because then you don't have to worry about like server maintenance. You don't have to worry about what kind of stuff you handle on the server side. You don't have to worry about hacking as much because it's not a competitive game. Like Deep Rock Galactic is a good example where it's all peer-to-peer. It's co-op, so they don't really care about hacking as long as you're not like giving people malware. So, if I did something, it would probably be similar to that. Or just something like a little project for fun, you know?
For fun, yeah.
Okay, so the boss room is left. We don't go left. Do not go left.
This isn't updating, but the cursor is obviously visible based on the fact that the cursor is currently visible. I'm gonna lose my mind.
It is funny the number of times I just like start playing the game and then forget that I'm playing the game and just keep playing it because it's fun. Like, I don't know if it's actually fun because I played it so many times that I like know how to play it, but I don't know, maybe it's fun.
It might be fun. Who knows?
Yeah. You can't aim. That's for sure. And I died. Oop, we found a new bug to fix. Null check.
Brother, get the fuck out of here, man. Get out of here. Knock it off. You know what you're doing.
But what if that wasn't actually him?
The way that they said it makes me say I don't care.
And a random person.
What if it's just a random
Well, they were
person?
talking about the other guy. They obviously weren't actually them.
Don't hold grudges
were
on
just
people and
saying,
don't
yeah,
banish
like,
or
I mean,
ban people who are in disagreement with you is all I'm saying.
Yeah, they were just saying that like
Mhm.
that like they don't think that's good.
Yeah,
And like,
I think so.
we're-
I don't
yeah.
care. We're here to stream for fun. Also, like,
I hates being
Yeah,
a streamer.
that's
No, I'm
true.
kidding.
Nah, I don't want it to be a terrible experience for everybody. And unfortunately, that person is
yeah.
like, yo, dude, what if I made it a terrible experience for everyone?
Yeah.
Why is this... Sorry, you're not hiding the cursor, but you are. So what the fuck is up with you, dude? Oh, okay.
Sorry, are you? Meow.
I don't... Okay, hold on. Are we... Let me restart the game, but... So I want to add a setter for this. Set val mouse visible equals to val print stack, mayhaps? What is that going to show me? Is that going to show me anything useful? Let's find out. We're going on to another window. Mouse visible setter in warp mouse. Okay. And if I were to add cards, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it locked the cursor. That's fine. It unlocked the cursor. It did a lot more things just then. Warp mouse, lock cursor. And mouse visible setter in physics process for base card selector. Okay, it just calls lock mouse, which is a problem because it shouldn't be. Or, well, it should be, but it shouldn't be setting mouse visible to false. Mouse visible.
Meow. So real.
Ooh.
I agree.
Okay. Warp mouse is true. If it's a controller input type. Okay, I see. Show cursor. Warp mouse deferred. Mouse visible is true. Cursor. Oh, I see what's happening. Kind of. Mouse visible equals true. So my new question is like, why isn't that stopping? Oh, I see. I understand. Kind of. Yeah, okay. I get it. I get what's happening. I see what's happening here. You need to be a little bit cooler, I think, is my answer. Oh, shit.
Okay, what do I work on now? That's the wrong. Nope. What, this one? Cards.
Well, if we're not picking the card order, I guess we'll say not mouse visible.
So I don't think Salami should just straight up heal you. We should change that.
Agreed. Finally, we agreed.
Catnip should also not slow down time because that's bad.
Mhm.
Energy drink should probably not just speed you up.
True.
Yeah. Now to figure out what those do.
Did we rule out the idea of passive cards that just kind of exist instead of like cards that you draw, or like whenever you draw them, they just automatically get used?
So that's basically like what the relics or whatever are.
That's true. This is really fun, actually.
And I mean, we also had the idea of power cards.
Yeah.
Which were like the... But I honestly don't think that's a great idea, but maybe.
Check
Looks
out the
really
cursor,
fun.
by the way, real quick. Whenever I jump, it like
Oh.
lags behind a little bit. It does like the wiggly pencil trick. You know what I'm talking about?
The what?
You don't know about the wiggly pencil trick?
The wiggly... The what?
You don't know about wiggly pencil? Holy shit, am I really that unk?
You might be. I genuinely have no clue what you're talking about. Maybe I'll like recognize it or something.
I'm pulling
but,
it up.
like,
I'm pulling it up. Don't worry. Let me get a video that isn't.
he's pulling his pencil out.
I'm pulling my pencil out. All right, Eddie Ray, you've got like 2 seconds to amaze us. It works so much better in real life. It's like so difficult to show you this on camera, but like, here you go, man. Here's Eddie Ray telling us about the rubber pencil trick. Look at it. It looks like a pencil. It's rubbery. Because whenever you do the like little wiggle, your eyes kind of like scan it a little weird.
I mean, I'll like wiggle my pencil around sometimes, but like I didn't know that it's like.
Yeah, it's like because you see it
Right,
looks it
it's
kind of
so
tricks your eyes
weird.
into thinking it's curved a little bit. It looks
That's
better in
weird.
person. But yeah, it's
Here,
like
a pen. Let me try that.
yeah, this is doing the wiggly pencil trick. It's like
It doesn't work quite as well. This pen is too short.
it also works better with light colored objects. Did we have mechanics
Okay.
written down or did we whip those up on the spot?
Weird.
Um,
But
certain mechanics we
Yeah.
wrote down, certain ones we discuss often. A lot of the mechanics that we add, we've written down or talked about previously.
Yeah, a lot of the mechanics were like I had an idea, I started doing stuff with it, and then then we started talking about it, then we changed stuff.
Yeah, okay, buddy. I don't believe you. By the way, going through random streams to just preach. Okay, man. I don't believe you in the fucking slightest. I know who you are. Fuck off. There's nothing wrong with your religion. Just stop being annoying dickhead. All right, I'm gonna go AFK for a moment. I'm gonna go take a piss and get like a little snack. Good luck entertaining people. Keep the chat open.
Yeah,
and,
I have
like,
to entertain people. Quick, Bond, what do I do? Help. I don't know how to be a good
you should read
streamer.
Bible verses or something. That's what I hear works, apparently. I'll be right back.
I feel like that would make for a very interesting stream. I mean, it's possible, but it is a game dev stream. Do you say uwu? Uwu? Sorry, no. I kind of want a snack too, but what do you think a salami card should do? I feel like it's like a one-time thing that gives you like a buff. Maybe it makes. Honestly, don't know what it could do. Ooh, as soon as I join, we'll welcome in. Biddy is getting a snack. So now I have to entertain people, which I'm not very good at. So I'm trying to figure out what to make a card do. I have a salami card. Let me pull it up so you can see what it looks like in all its glory. It's in here somewhere. There it is. Salami. I know this probably isn't gonna help you like come up with any ideas, because that's my job. It's my job to come up with ideas. But yeah, there's a lot of cards. There's actually not a lot of cards. A lot of these are either duplicates or old cards or unfinished things, but now where'd it go? I lost it. There it is. So currently what this does is when you use it, it heals you. But we don't really want to have things that directly heal you because you're gonna redraw the cards like over time. So if you could do that, then you could just heal infinitely. So I need to figure out something else for this card to do. Which I'm thinking, what could it do? So the green cards currently are cards that do like one thing at once, at one time, that aren't like an attack. So they're kind of like utility cards. So for example, I don't have any good examples because we don't have many utility cards. But one was like a hook here. Do you guys have like pacing in mind? In terms of like gameplay, like how long levels are? Yes. Kind of broadly. Brother, please stop joining with multiple accounts and saying things. You have been banned like multiple times. Do not come back. I'm sorry.
I'm back.
The cards are color coded for type. Kind of. I color coded them pretty early on, before we really knew exactly what we were doing. So they're like kind of color coded. So the green ones are like one-time utility things. So like before one of them would heal you, this one's like a grappling hook that doesn't actually do anything yet because I never finished it. I need to add more utility. There's one other one somewhere in here that I had.
What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, there's a cardboard box.
That one's like our parry, right?
Yeah, the cardboard box is kind of like a parry, so it's like a shield if you... it gives you a shield for like a time, but if you time it right as you're getting hit, then it'll be like a parry. That's the idea. Oh yeah, the green ones can also be summons, so they can like summon additional things.
I feel like summons fit more in the blue category, to be honest.
Yeah, but the problem is we don't have very many green cards.
I think that's fine. You don't have to have.
Okay. I just think because the blue cards are kind of like specifically time related cards is like my thought.
Is there a chance of adding a purple for like a
purple? We could.
Because I feel like purple would be sick for like the jellyfish. But is there a story? We've been working a little bit with our friends a little bit. We are not focused on story in the lightest right now though.
Basically it's cat in hell. Yeah.
Did you answer
things.
Did you answer the question about how long the levels are going to be?
Oh, I was going to, and then I got distracted.
So the plan right now is
ideally. Oh, okay.
No,
actually, I don't know what you're gonna say, so I'm gonna let you
Okay.
say it. Because I
So,
want to hear what you're gonna say.
From what we had discussed, it sounds like the answer is going to be the major boss fights will be every 3 floors. And we were discussing maybe having mini boss, like easier bosses at the end of each individual floor. So it's like every 3 floors is like your big challenge boss. The pacing, since ideally we would like it to be 9 floors based on the thematics of the game, that can be compromised, I guess. Yeah, it's a roguelike. Oh, did you not know this was a roguelike? Yeah, this is a roguelike as fuck.
It's a roguelike. And so yeah.
But yeah, the each floor
I'll let you
will
finish.
be kind of like Binding of Isaac. And you, oh my
Dog.
god, get out of here, dude. Stop. The duration of the 3 floor set will be about the same, maybe a little bit longer than like a floor in Gungeon. Like maybe like I'm thinking like floor 2 or so is like the duration of floor 2. It's about the same as our 3 floor section.
Yeah.
So not long.
So it's yeah,
Each-
and I think we could have like in between floors and like a little loading screen. We could probably have like a little map that shows that like the 3 floors are kind of like grouped together, so you can tell.
Mm-hmm.
So it's still it's still this thing going on that we got to do a poll on what you're making, or I don't know what you're saying. Exactly.
Sorry, what?
I'm not sure what Bond is asking.
Sorry, so it's still this thing going on that got to do a poll on what the fuck? Am I having a stroke too?
Yeah, I think so.
So it's still this thing going on.
That we got to do a poll on. I don't remember doing a poll. Did I do a poll? How's the game play out? I could just show you, or I guess you guys are in Biddy's stream, so Biddy, if you want to show them the game. Although my game is
you should
sick.
do.
Actually,
Yeah,
I have
newer
stuff.
Yeah,
Mine's the one that works.
mine might not work.
Yep, I just put, yeah, okay. So you can just put me on screen.
Yeah,
and
you've been
I
on
will,
screen for a little bit while I went AFK to get food.
Okay. Well, I haven't been doing much, so I was kind of just yapping. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
We'll add all the fun cards. We'll add the salami just so you can see what it currently does.
Let me work.
Yarn's
Just
all
do not
school.
add
Yeah.
the soda. That's the only one you're not allowed to add.
Spring, right?
Spring
Wait, which one?
maybe. Oh yeah, never don't
Okay,
don't
which is the one that didn't work?
Yeah, don't add spring. Sorry. I don't know why I thought it was soda.
Brick. Good night. And
There was
mud shield as well.
there was a card in the first playtest that
forgot,
made
I
you
don't
like
remember
double
using shield.
speed, which was very
Forgot
funny
shield. Oh,
because
that's
you
funny.
already move really fast.
So, as you can see, it's a platformer where I can run around.
Oh, wait.
But I can also select
Hmm.
cards in real time. It slows down time, so you can select them. Or alternatively, I can use the scroll wheel to scroll through them, and then I can pick one and use it while I'm running around. Well, Biddy is currently reworking how some of this cards.
The card selection should be the exact same. It should be the exact same as what you're doing now. It's just that it's going to be more consistent and a little bit cleaned up.
Nicer. Yeah. So this is just my little test guy there. He's still being worked on. I have a little machine here that I can use that doesn't do anything. So that's kind of that. But if I go in here, it'll reset my cards so that way I have a set number of cards. And then there's all kinds of enemies that we're still working on more of, and I suck at the game.
This is true.
But I have limited mana, as you can see up in the corner. I should have turned off all the debug stuff, but
yeah,
it's okay.
Shit.
But as you can see, I have mana up here, which will run out as I use cards. But if I kill enemies, they'll drop mana. So it kind of encourages you to like play aggressively and kill them.
I wonder.
End game planned. We don't really know exactly. More cards and stuff.
I would
That's
imagine
kind of more into like the adding content stuff.
Yeah.
Or do you mean like replayability kind of stuff?
Yeah. Oh, with an ending in mind. Do we want to go with more cards or more powerful individual cards? I don't know the answer for yet. You get random cards every room. Yes, you get random cards every room, and whenever you use up a card, it will deal in a new one from your deck.
Yeah, so you played Slay the Spire, it's like the exact same kind of drawing mechanic where it's like you'll draw from a draw pile, and once that runs out, it'll shuffle them.
Yeah, and certain cards can be exhausted, so that you can only use them once per room or floor or whatever.
There we go. The yarn is very fun. That might be like the best card of all time.
Okay, this might all
also
work.
Brick you can throw. Oh wow, the brick is terrible.
The brick is terrible, yeah.
I just threw like 3 of them and didn't realize that there was only like 3, and it didn't do any damage because I missed every single time. But
yeah, the game. Honestly, the sounds are really nice, and they kind of make a lot of the experience. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss your screen share back off, and I'm gonna go to mine.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just so I can show people the actual like. I would like to show them the game with the sound on.
Yeah.
So I
it is very nice.
All of this should work, minus the spring. Yeah. So if I go in here, actually, I don't. Ooh, I can't go to a different room. I don't think I have dealing in yet. Yeah, the sounds kind of make a lot of the game. Because a lot of them are just kind of like juicy sounds. Like if I spawn in,
they're like. It is kind of crazy how much better it makes it sound, even though half of them are just like random junk I found off free sound and then like edited a little bit.
Yeah, there's also this guy. I think this guy's a charged sound.
Yeah, he does. It's really bad. That needs to be
fixed. It's like the same as the flying guy, actually, this guy. Right?
Yeah. That sound is used like a lot.
I see. Okay.
So
I don't have the
rescuing his dead owner from hell due to being a bad person in general, but good to his cat, with the cat seeing it as injustice. It's an interesting idea. I don't think that's close to what we're doing, but we have like a few ideas so far. I think there was some like mythology kind of ideas. I don't know what was going on, to be honest.
Let me go to the dummy room. Does dummy room still work?
Testing room?
Yeah.
I don't see why it wouldn't.
I don't either.
The card pickups might not work.
They don't. Because I have issues that I need to fix. Because there's a lot of things still using the old card system.
beautiful little dummies that I made. They're so nice. Did you know that when you kill a dummy, it actually deletes the dummy that's there,
That's true.
plays an animation, and then makes a new one?
Oh yeah, those particles weren't fixed. Did you fix those particles on your end, by the way?
What do you mean?
The bullet.
Yeah, there's no particles when they hit something. It just flashes,
Okay.
which is much better. I like it. It looks really bad.
A little bit, yeah.
I kind of
Oh,
like
dude,
Dungeon
I just
style,
had
where
the.
it's, like, really
Oh my
basic.
god. I
It
was.
just has like the
Oh,
the
sorry.
knockback and stuff.
Hello to Madre. I'm sorry. I meant to answer your thing whenever I got back, but then we started talking about thing. I don't believe
I'm sorry. Oh yeah,
the
you're
salami
talking
will
about
probably
tempo
not
overhealth
be
for
temporary
the
over health,
salami.
but maybe it could be.
That could be an interesting idea for him, dog.
Brother, isn't there literally a verse in the Bible about not preaching and showing your whatever to everyone? Someone didn't read the Bible
Not
enough.
quite, but like
I'm
it's
fairly
close.
certain that there is.
It's like it's more like not being a performative male.
Yeah, don't be a performative male, but like for religion, basically.
It's like pretty much exactly
Yeah.
what it says, which is kind of funny.
Yeah, I've wanted to press a number on my keyboard to select one of the cards. I found myself.
Honestly, that's not a bad idea because I don't like it's. If you have more than 9 cards, then like you're not gonna be able to tell which one you're picking if you're
Yeah,
using the numbers.
I agree. I mean, most people, you'll probably only have like 5 or 6 at a time, depending on upgrades that you get.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, and I
Maybe
feel
not
like if
just
you
that.
have, if you somehow get enough upgrades to have like a 10 card hand, then you probably don't have to worry too much about picking a specific card like instantly.
Yeah, that's true. Where is my what?
Where's my water?
Oh, there we go. There it
You ever
is.
play Where's My Water?
I did, yeah. Of course I did.
That game was honestly like peak.
True.
It's very peak. I honestly don't remember when or what I played it on, but I know I've played it.
I kind of want to
And
change.
I remember it being peak.
The worm, I think. Have you played Slither.io?
Does need some work. Slither.io, yes.
Okay. What if it's like Slither.io?
Where is this going?
So you know how whenever you use your boost, you kind of like you glow a little bit as you dash
sorry,
forward.
I can't stay longer, but it's 2:39 a.m. Yeah. Good night.
Good night, night.
You do need sleep.
Do you know what I'm talking about, JW?
Yes, the way that like glows you dash.
Yeah. What if we had the worm do that, where it's only attacking while it's doing that kind of move forward dash thing?
It is only attacking when it's doing the move forward dash thing.
What if we had to do that like kind of glow, so that you knew that it
Yeah,
was
that,
attacking?
I think that was something that we had intended to do. We just never did. Like some sort of indication when it's attacking.
Yeah, because currently it's not very clear that it is, which is a little annoying for whenever you're.
What could be cool is if we know how we had the idea to add like attack indicators to a lot of things to make it like easier to dodge attacks, since you'll have like a lot of melee stuff going on.
Yeah.
Potentially. What if like as he's about to come out of the ground, he has like little indicator lines of like what path he's gonna follow,
That might work, yeah.
like when he's dashing.
Yeah, maybe we can have it so that he can only turn when he's in the ground, kind of like Terraria worms, where he does like just a straight dash across, and it kind of like shows the path he's gonna follow.
Yeah.
What's the roadmap
What's
for
on the
development?
roadmap for development currently? There is none.
We don't have a roadmap. We honestly should, I think, with how far along
That's
the
a good
project's
idea,
getting and how people have shown interest in it. I think that's something that we should maybe have ready by next stream.
Next stream.
Yeah, I think just a rough roadmap of where we want things to be and what we kind of want.
Yeah.
Doesn't need to be like set in stone, but I think once this card system rework is done and once abilities start getting added in, I would like to kind of start working on actually having a floor playable. I mean, we have the first floor MVP thing that we had talked about before.
Yeah.
I want that to be playable. That would be really cool and really nice. Also, I think most of my deck code is good to go. I think I can start swapping things over to the new deck system.
Yay.
Probably.
I was probably gonna say something and I forgot.
Sorry, my fault.
I think it might have been about the worm.
the worm.
Oh yeah. So I think pretty much all enemies, at least what I'm thinking, is pretty much all enemies should have like attack indicators.
Yeah, I agree.
I like that idea, and I really like the I forget what the game is now.
Oh my god, I don't know what you're talking about. Dungreed?
No,
No,
not Dungreed.
not Dungreed. Voidigo?
Voidigo, yeah.
Yeah.
I like how it has like basically it has like a shape of wherever the attack's going to be, and then that has like an outline. And then just like an outline in that shape. That looks so nice. And I feel like if we did something like that, if you somehow made something like that where we could like render it,
We can do that.
pixelated.
Yeah, we can do that.
Really sick.
It would be maybe a little
have
bit
it
of a
kinda, like,
bitch,
faded.
but we can do that.
Yeah.
Just gonna swap everything over to
Trying to
use the
think
new
of
deck
how
for a
that
little
could be
bit.
practical, because it could be cool. I'm thinking.
He's thinking it. Can cast.
I was thinking if there's a way that we could make it that like you could layer like shapes and then it would like draw an outline around them.
Yeah, that's what canvas layers or canvas groups are for.
Oh yeah. That's a good idea.
Yeah, like canvas
Didn't
groups
think
are like
about that.
literally a thing for that exact reason.
But yeah, I was thinking so you could like define the shapes
Mhm.
and then it would draw an outline like pixelated outline of the shape.
Yeah, I think that's doable.
Okay,
Because you would just
cool.
you would specify like you'd be like draw a you would set a square up here and then it would create a canvas group that like kind of creates this bounds. Not like that. It's kind of this bounds. And then the shader could just whenever it goes to render, it could like sample this point and this point, and if one of them is if this one's outside, this one's inside, that's an outline, and then we can kind of like set the amount, and then we could have it be like 1 pixel in size. I guess it would be ×4, but
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, but that way we could like layer shapes, and if we wanted to have like a little area of effect and then like a long range thing, it could like indicate that.
Yeah.
As a game dev, as a small team with Godot, it is wonderful.
Not 100% true. The team does consist of me and Tempura here, so it's pretty bad. If it was just me, it'd be okay.
No,
That's fine.
We
It's chill.
definitely don't hate each other.
That's probably maybe true. That's potentially true.
We'll let you decide.
mhm.
You get to decide.
Yeah, it's like it's a choose your own adventure.
Just choose your.
Yeah, go back 45 minutes if you think that we hate each other. Go back 30 minutes if you think we don't. I was thinking about this. Maybe because okay, so I'm just gonna say this out loud about code stuff. So I was thinking about splitting up the deck and the mana and the sticker packs and everything like that, because currently in the code that you have, the mana is stored on the deck. So I was like, do I want to have like, you know,
Yeah.
do I want to have like var mana with a float here and like you have 100 mana, or do I want to have like a, obviously this wouldn't be defined here, like do I want to have a stats class that has the mana inside of it, and then here we have a stats, which is like this thing, and I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do. Not that it matters too much, because at the end of the day I can always change it, but let's see, where all references mana? Oh. Dot mana. Not that many places. So we could probably just have a stats class and then change it later if I hate it. I think maybe.
Still trying to think about what the salami could do. I'm thinking through what the different cards that we don't like could do.
Which ones are the ones we don't like?
Salami, catnip, and energy drink.
So you want Salami to be a green card.
Yes.
So what's your, okay, let's draw these lines. So what are greens, what are blues, and what are reds?
Reds are anything that is an attack.
Okay.
Or anything that's an attack from the player.
Okay, anything you equip, you're saying. Like you right click and it
Yes,
goes
yeah,
here.
anything you equip. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I meant.
So that's a red.
Yeah, greens are like one-time things, and then blues are time-based.
Okay.
Anything time-based.
One-time things. What
Essentially.
does one-time thing mean?
Like an upgrade or like summon. Although I do kind of like the idea of maybe having a separate summon type, or like a thing that like adds something to the world. Because I was thinking of adding like a turret card or something like that that like drops down a little like auto turret, things like that.
Mm-hmm. Because I'm like, there's a very
That could
big
be really
difference in
cool.
my mind between Salami, which is
Or
like
like a
what I would
shield
call a
bubble.
buff card, and then like a jellyfish card, which is like a pet card, like
Yeah.
a summon.
I think having a, I can even test the color real quick. You said purple?
Yeah.
Purple? You said purple?
Yes, I said purple.
Where is my
said purple.
jellyfish?
Wash my jelly.
Wash my jelly.
Yeah,
Clean
it's
my jelly.
so one thing that's like,
Okay.
I'm trying to think of like, I think if it is color coded, it needs to add enough for that to be consistent. Like, you don't just color code
Yeah,
something as something for no reason, I would say.
That's kind of what I was doing originally, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It was kind of just like, I want different colors for things.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
here's vague categorization.
It's kind of like there's a reason that you want something to be color coded specific ways because it conveys information.
Yeah.
And so that
I mean,
information
I
needs
think
to
this
be...
is like useful because it's like red is. I think how it currently is, it's like at least slightly useful. It's not
Yes.
useless.
It
It
is
would be
useful.
worse
with what's
if
in the
all the
game currently.
cards-
Yes.
Yeah, if it'd be a lot worse if all the cards were different colors,
Yeah, I agree.
or were all the same color. I'm sorry. You know what I meant.
Yeah. Like, you know that
What I
you
meant, but-
these are your weapons that you can equip. So like if you need to do damage so quickly, you can equip a red
Yeah.
card.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah,
That's what I
my
was thinking, you know.
yeah, I'm just
Like
trying to
this.
think of like why.
You are okay. That's the same color there. Wait. Did I say the right color?
What are you trying to do, buddy?
Uh,
You can just like go back a frame to see if like things are fucked up, can't you?
No.
Okay. All right. Whatever. He's doing ace price stuff. I'm gonna.
I'm trying to make sure that's. I don't know if I want like the dark purple or the pink. I
Yeah.
think the purple's better because it's more contrast.
I don't want this to be.
Nope, that's the wrong
in
layer.
Here. I want this to be a util class.
Nope, that's the wrong layer. Wait, no, it's the. Wait, no, it's the wrong layer. There we go.
Wait, what? Am I like stupid? I thought that.
Wait, is that?
Oh, we do have a folder specifically for classes.
Is that the same color? Yeah, it's the same color. Okay. I'm going insane.
He's going insane.
I don't know. I feel like it's a little dark, maybe
Change.
comparatively. I guess not really.
That's name. That's distance node. Mana. I can probably just copy this from the old deck code, right? I think all of this.
Like say finite state machine video was awesome. I watched it about 8 months ago and still practice with
Hmm?
it. Thank you.
Oh.
I put a lot of effort in that video. Joking. But I still use the state machine from that.
I do too.
We use that state machine in this game all the time.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it though. I'm glad that it has helped you for so long. That video has overstayed its welcome, but I'm glad that people.
I
are
probably
still enjoying it.
I also probably couldn't have even started working on the game without the composition video.
Really.
I probably like overused composition, but like not.
You definitely like used composition somewhat
Yeah,
correctly.
I mean, no, but like I don't think I could have figured out how to like make anything without that. I'm not gonna lie. Like I didn't really know how to use inheritance properly, so it was like. Actually, I like had no clue what inheritance was. That's not entirely true. I learned how to make like a animal class, and then extend that to make a reptile, and then extend that to make a lizard. In computer science.
Whoa.
and then it would print meow.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You went to computer class.
And then you would have a function to display the animal in the console, and then you would type out a bunch of random characters to make it look like a little lizard.
Whoa. That's fucking
Not exactly,
sick.
but that's basically how we learned composition.
That's kind of sick.
Or not composition, sorry,
Inheritance.
inheritance. It was kind of funny. And a bunch of people couldn't even figure out how to get that to work, which was also very funny.
Oh no, you've got a thematic question you have to answer now. You have to answer for your sins.
What?
Answer for your sins now.
What?
In chat, does the cat have 9 lives, by the way?
Oh,
There's a
does the
thematic
cat have
question.
9 lives?
There's a thematic question. You
Um,
have to answer it now.
Yeah, they did, but then it didn't work gameplay wise, so I had to change it. I'm sorry. If you get up to 9 health, I think we'll have like a special achievement or like item that you get.
Yeah, the basic answer is 9 health fucking sucks for a roguelike.
Yeah, it's really bad.
It really sucks for like
Either we'd have to, like, increase
conceptualizing
the
how much
amount of
damage you can take.
Damage. Yeah, you'd have to like increase the damage that they take, which isn't good. Because we're doing it, I don't know if you've played like Gungeon or whatever, but it's like you have half hearts currently. So if we had half hearts, then it'd be 18, which is like way too much. But then it kind of feels weird to not have half hearts. And 9 is still like a lot of health.
Yeah.
And then taking like, if we made it so you take double damage, that would feel really bad because it would feel like it's taking a massive chunk out of your health. Although doesn't like everything deal double damage in Silksong or whatever for some reason?
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Well,
Yes,
maybe we
everything
can
double
change
damages in
this.
Ding Dong. You are correct. And
I
it's
forgot
fucking
about
annoying. Why the fuck does everything double damage in Ding Dong, dude?
That's really funny. Thing Thong.
Yeah, Think Long.
Should I play it? I like.
Probably. Oh,
I want to play it, but it's like no, I don't think I will.
fair enough.
I have too many other games to play anyways.
Like Rivals of Aether 2.
I do want to find a what?
Like Rivals of Aether 2.
Yeah, I do want to find some games to play that aren't like roguelites or live service games. Because that's like all I play.
Yeah. Wasn't there also a thing that were you gonna do a thing where every floor you go down you lose a life or something like that?
Yeah,
That was
gonna
like a
do that,
terrible,
and then
terrible
it was,
decision.
Like, terrible idea.
That's just stupid.
Maybe the cat has to get his 8 lives back throughout the game. That's another possible idea.
Maybe. It's not a terrible one.
But actually, now that I think about it, hold up, let me pull up the.
Sorry, what's the reason
think I
deck
might
is
have
in
actually-
here? Deck.cancast. You don't exist anymore, buddy. I need you to be like a little bit better.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I actually included the that thematic idea in the short description on the Steam page. So
Oh,
we
about
can change
losing
that.
life over time? Remove that now. That is terrible.
Okay, what do we change it to?
I don't know, just get rid of it.
No, but like I can't because it's like a. Here, I can pull it up.
No.
This is gonna like dox me. Here, you can see my my Steam username, but like whatever.
Oh shit, dude, I definitely can't. Oh, now I can.
Here,
Dante's 9 is a. Oh,
uh,
I'll pull this up.
Here's the.
First off, it's a roguelike.
it's
But yeah.
here.
It's a roguelike action
It's a roguelike.
platformer fused with a deck builder where you use powerful cards to augment your combat abilities. You are Dante the cat. C should be capitalized there, probably. Well, depends. So we want.
Nah.
And you must sacrifice your
not like
9
a
lives on your
title.
journey through the depths of the underworld. Oh,
Look at this cool GIF. Oh, can't you like upload videos in the description now so you don't have to like compress GIFs so much?
I don't know if the gifts look fine.
Allegedly. No, they look fine. But the issue is I mean, they look okay. But they're like super compressed and I can't make them very long because if you make the Steam page too large, it can take too long to load
Hmm.
on certain hardware.
Mhm.
So I pretty sure they added it that you can
Uncertain
add like
hardware.
short videos to the description, so you don't have to make like giant GIFs. It's not that like it actually will run slow, but like they don't like it when you have
I think you
large
meant,
GIFs in the description.
yeah, I think you meant like on like slow internet, not on
Yeah, that's
on
what I
hardware.
meant. That's what I meant to say.
Like technically the
I don't know
internet's
how
part of your hardware,
computers
but-
work.
All right, buddy. I want you to tell me how a
Anyways.
modem and router work. Which one does which?
I let me think.
He has no clue.
The router like distributes the Wi-Fi, right?
Okay.
Kind of internet.
All
And
right.
then I don't know what the other one does.
So the modem is the one that talks to your ISP, and then the modem sends a
I knew
bunch
that.
of internet traffic to your router, and your router decides which computer, which connection actually receives that internet information. And then
Yeah,
vice
yeah.
versa is if you have 4 people on a network, it has to know what those 4 people all are asking for. So it sends out that traffic to the ISP, and then it comes back. The ISP is your internet service provider, by the way.
Yeah.
And then
You
it
know, like short for calculator.
it has to know
Fire,
like
bro.
which of those 4 people asked for like the Google results for like pastrami or whatever, and then like send
Yeah,
that to the correct
pastrami.
person on the network.
Pistachio.
Clear deck is not a function. Equipment used is
Prosciutto.
not a thing.
Do you like prosciutto?
What?
Are you a prosciutto fan?
It's a little
prosciutto?
too tough. I don't like eating it because it's
Tough?
Yeah,
What do you mean
dude.
tough?
It's tough.
It's like not tough at all.
Prosciutto's tough as fuck, dog. What are you talking
No,
about?
it's not. You having the wrong prosciutto. You like cut it really thin, and then it's like, it's like falls apart. I don't know what you're talking about. It's literally not tough. I don't think we're eating the same thing. Why do you sound like that?
Buddy, that's what you sound like, dog. That's literally me playing voice clips of you back to yourself right now. I can do
Wait,
that, by
what?
the way. Did you know I can do that?
Huh?
Huh? See? Huh?
What?
What? What?
Huh?
Hold on. I can do this. I can like actually,
Duh?
I can go fucking crazy on you right now.
No, please don't. I don't
No,
want
no, no,
to
no,
hear
no,
my
no, no.
voice.
I can do this, dude. I can do this. Where is it? How do I set this up?
I should
Please.
pull up this
Please.
Steam dashboard on stream so everybody can see the release date.
Is it this?
We already have it set.
JW, can you meow real quick? There you go.
Well, that was pretty good.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, dude. Oh, that was loud. It's a lot louder in mine, but
It was like normal volume for me. That was like normal view volume.
okay. It's very loud in my ears. So.
Where do I change the edit store page?
What is this for? Oh, this is
I think
for,
technically I can't do this on stream because it's the Steam dashboard, and technically it's legal to show it on stream
This is true.
or like to anybody.
Kind of true.
Technically, people do it all the time, so it's not like they're gonna kill me. But
I think it's time to go back 45 minutes. That's a plus 2. That's a good one. I get that reference.
I'm putting video on stream while I change this.
Oh no.
I mean, you could just stare at my card, but whatever.
I'm here, dude. Oh shit, dude. They can see me.
Whoops, staring at the card.
We're getting rid of soul charges, right? Like those are just gone. Correct?
What did those do?
That's crazy. Whenever you killed an enemy or hit an enemy, depending on the mode we use, it would draw a
I
card. We're
forgot
just
about
getting rid of
that.
those,
I forgot
right?
about that. Yeah, no, we're getting rid of that.
All right, thank
Oh,
fuck.
I need to add a.
That means this actually doesn't need a reference to the deck at all. And now we get to go through and...
my
Oh, I think I could probably just colon...
social
deck.
medias while I'm on here. 'Cause they
There's
went
so much shit
all
to
on
use
there
as
'cause I
deck.
have more now.
That's crazy. What's crazy?
Oh, did I seriously add these on here before I started streaming on Twitch?
Which part is crazy? Is it crazy that he doesn't know what soul charges are when he added them? Is that what the crazy part is? 'Cause I do agree that that is kind of crazy.
That's not that crazy.
That's not that crazy.
It's not that crazy.
Rewind it 45 minutes. Catch it later.
No, please.
That's not that crazy. What the
I don't sound like that.
What the fuck? Stop. What did the old code do for this? Whenever I wanted to discard stuff, can I just like, what are the chances I can just say, hey dude, get rid of all your cards? What are the chances? What I can just do like a fucking clear hand, and then I can do like void 4 card in hand. Card dots. No. Discard card.
Discard.
And dot clear. Wilted rose emoji. Clear deck. Which I believe will just. Oh shit. I think we would do. Should this also clear what's in your hand? Start digging in your butt.
Oh, sorry.
My fault, OG. We stream 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. We can do equipped card is equal to null. And I would like to clear hand, so the entire hand is gone. I would also like to do I need to also clear the discard pile and the draw pile, which I believe should be as simple as doing discard dot clear, draw dot clear. I think maybe these should be first for sure. I think that works. Maybe. I don't know if there's a way for me to even know if these are being held on to. Well, I have ideas. Okay, why do I have pings? Why the fuck? What are you doing? Oh, Hanno just messaged me on Steam or on Discord, not Steam. It's funny.
Silly guy.
Yeah, we stream on Tuesday and Thursday at 6:30 p.m. to about 9:30 p.m.
Yeah.
EST, and then we stream it on Sunday. We're trying to figure out the right time for that. It's either noon or 2 p.m. or sometime around there.
Like 2.
Like 2.
2 was better because I get to sleep more.
Better.
I love
2
sleeping.
was better.
Game Devin or like Game Gavin.
Who's that?
They do Gav in the hot food. I don't know the rest.
Yeah.
don't
Why do they
remember
call it
what
the oven
is.
when you in the hot, out cold eat the food or some shit?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
My fucking beloved.
That's what I. Yeah.
Yeah, we got it there. We understood what you were going for. We just know that you don't have like the delivery on that. It's fine. What are you doing with deck? Deck.draw hand? That's just not a function, buddy. Let's not get ahead of ourselves now. We're gonna cause an error in a moment. Deck.clear mode, not a thing. Don't worry about it. Honestly, fuck it. Do this all the time. Actually, just do that all the time.
So what do I change the short description to? What do I write in here?
Meow 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 meow. With an ooh at the end.
I mean, I could do that. I don't need to get approval to edit my Steam page.
But you do need
There's
approval.
nothing stopping me.
You do need approval to not release the game in September.
Yeah.
Rock hard. All
That's
of
kinda
this
funny.
should work. I guess that's a good place to test things. Soul meter? Soul meter. Buddy. I got some bad. Dude, this guy thinks he's living to next stream. Sorry, buddy. Soul meter, you're gone. Nope. Ain't always.
Bro got slime.
I can just I can slime this motherfucker out, right? What
I
is?
just wanted to say slime.
Yeah, I can kill this. Yes. What is this? Oh yeah, you're gone, dude. You're like gone as fuck. Goodbye. Goodbye.
What do I write? Chat.
Chop, chop. Oh fuck! I didn't know I had that mod on. Iris Cynical, my not beloved, but it's pretty funny sometimes.
He's kind of funny.
Mainly to
He's
make
kind of funny
fun of,
sometimes.
Yeah, he's kind of got it going crazy though. I don't know whose label this is. This is either the correct label or this is the false
Chat,
label.
I can Oh, oops. I'm sorry. I had Biddy's screen up, but then I accidentally tabbed out of his stream, so it was just a blank screen.
What the fuck, dude? What the hell, man?
But here you can see my. I can't see mine on this, can I? Rip. Oh well. Well, here's the text. I don't know what I'm changing it to. I need to get rid of this section here. I don't know how to write. At Bitlytic.
What?
Dev. Help.
What do you want?
You're good at writing, right?
No, but use your words. What are you asking for? What's the end all be all?
Description. I need to replace this.
You're Dante the cat, and you must work your way through the depths of the underworld.
Don't like
you must,
that at all.
You must fight your way to the end of hell.
Yeah, that's better. Nah,
you must fight your way to the end of the underworld.
Close enough.
All right, dude. Oh, you're good at writing, right? Oh yeah, here's my writing. Wow.
Nah, they were all kind of terrible.
Fuck you, dude. I hate this guy.
Battle kind of sounds tougher than fight.
Okay, dude. Who says Dante has to be a tough guy? What if he could just be a little dude? He doesn't have to be tough.
We could say he must use like powerful synergies and stuff.
Oh wow, that fixes it, I think.
I'm just trying to think of more descriptive of like what, because this is like battle fight is like super generic, but like saying like use synergies or stickers or pins or whatever. I think synergies is a good word. We gotta use synergies in there somewhere.
You gotta use synergies.
You could take game altering synergies.
No, they're not game altering. Not yet, at least. That seems no. I don't like that. That's too buzzwordy. That feels like mobile game.
Yeah, you're right. It's a mobile game though. It's like mobile game quality.
And you must
meow.
You must go crazy style with your cards to work your way through hell. You must go crazy style. I don't know, man. That might be the winner.
It might be the winner.
That might be the winner. Oh, none of the fucking sticker pack stuff is gonna work. Go crazy style, dude. You don't understand. You gotta go crazy style with those cards, dude. Deck.sticker packs, brother. You ain't making it to... You're gone. That's it. You ain't making it. You ain't making it. Deck display? Dude, what do you think I am? Deck.getAllCards is not a function. That should be a function.
Nice thing is, I've been using my keyboard and mouse, and I wasn't even paying attention, and my wrists are feeling fine for the most part. That's good.
You wanna play some Rivals?
No.
Okay. I mean, that's like kind of lame, but alright. Whatever you say.
But just because they feel fine after them hurting earlier today.
What if
doesn't
you were
mean
to
I can play
destroy your
rivals
wrists?
of either two?
What if you were to destroy your wrists?
Yeah, that would be terrible.
Just like destroy your wrists, man. And you can be like, sorry guys, I can't come into work. You're gonna have to fire me.
That's not how that
Hi,
works.
my name's John. Sorry, my fault.
Bro just doxing me, alright? Okay. Okay, bro.
You literally doxed me earlier.
Okay. Okay, Gavin.
What? No.
The hot food.
The hot food? What?
You,
Bro just
Gavin,
called me
the
a hot food. What the fuck?
No. No.
What the fuck, dude? Okay, I didn't know that's what was going on today on stream, but okay.
What cooking they Vaporeon?
No, dude. No, do not the Vaporeon. No.
Do not the Vaporeon.
5 minutes. Instead of +2 and -2, it should be -45 now. That should be ours.
Okay, that might actually be peak. Typing. You must. I think it. Yeah, it needs something gameplay related. What do you do? What do you do?
You use your cards. You
specifically.
cast your cards and attack
Well,
enemies
you
with them.
here.
Oh,
Just
shoot.
we already have these mentioning cards. Cards.
Are we getting rid of it
like
whenever you
cards
melee
up
attack
here.
enemies? They stop giving you mana. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, no, that's the you.
Okay.
No, we're not doing that.
That's fine.
Honestly, yeah, we should keep the melee attacking, I guess. But
What?
I mean, with the new system, we could totally just remove the melee attack.
That's true. Yeah.
So like, if we wanted to, I mean, we could. I'd say we should probably test just removing it entirely and see how it works.
What happens if I go into this room? Does it... Uh-oh. Draw hand is not a function. That's fine. What draw hand is going to do? Where is draw?
My back is hurting because I'm sitting weird.
What?
I just can't stop being in pain.
No. Draw hand.
I'm dying from old age.
So I think draw hand will do clear hand. Yes. And then we will do
Oh wow,
Were I
it's
in-
9 o'clock.
hand size. Draw card.
Holy
We don't have hand
macaroni.
size. Our hand size is 4.
Meowcaroni. Meowcaroni.
I didn't
and
expect to see you
cheese.
streaming. Found your channel recently. It's improved your understanding of coding concepts so much. Thank you. No problem. I'm glad that it helps you. Yeah, we do
Yeah,
some
just because he
streaming.
doesn't upload doesn't mean he's dead. I mean,
Alright, dude.
it's a valid assumption, but like,
It is. It is. I know it's been
He's
like a
alive.
gajillion and a half years and shit.
yeah, he's in my basement. That's why he doesn't upload.
Ooh, that almost worked. Ooh.
I'll let him out when he finishes my
Why
game.
didn't that do what I wanted it to? Oh, get all cards is not a function. It literally is, dude. What are you talking about? Get all cards is literally a function. Oh, get all card.
Also, I have a question. Does anybody here use Spotify
Mm-hmm. I do.
in chat?
Oh.
Is it just me, or is the shuffle like algorithm that it uses like always the same? I feel like whenever I go to shuffle like my songs, it'll always just play it in like the same shuffled order every time.
No, that's just you.
Okay, maybe I'm going insane.
Mhm.
It seems like every single time I like go to shuffle my songs. Because usually I just play from like my liked songs, so I'm too lazy to make individual playlists.
Mm-hmm.
And it feels like every single time it just plays the same order of songs. It like
What?
sometimes it literally is
Oh.
the same order of songs, and like I can tell because I just heard them like the day before. So
I'm
I am
so
going insane, is what you're
I'm
saying.
so stupid. I'm so dumb, and I'm so
Okay.
stupid.
to know.
Yeah.
Stupid.
No, I'm actually like kind of not dumb, but like kind of dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for clear hand, I actually need to have a new reference to this, which is going to be a temporary, which is going to be.
Listened to
hand
Bob
pay.
Dylan at work this morning
Why were you listening to Bob Dylan at work this morning?
because he's in the playlist that was playing. Because
He was on the Peloton, got 400 wattage, fucking
yeah.
going crazy. So if I add a bunch of cards, so I see what was happening. I was actually skipping over cards because of
It's okay. It helps me think of Northern Lion while I work, which makes me happy.
yippee. Why do all of those go to the center of the screen, though, is
Oh.
my new question.
Let me think. So what do you do in this game? What do you do in this game? You use cards.
Yeah, what do you do in the game?
But I already have that in here.
Okay.
You
Upgrade them. You apply stickers. You create powerful effects. You use powerful weapons. You are a cat. He goes meow 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 meow. Does that answer your question, or is that not enough? Stupid. Yeah, dude, I know it's missing. I'm coming here to delete the reference to it. Like, dude, calm down. I know it's not here. Not you. Bug.
Honestly, I feel like some way of mentioning like maybe mentioning stickers wouldn't be good, but like because it is kind of like a hook a little bit because it's like different.
You don't have to mention it by the name stickers. You could just say upgrade your cards.
Yeah.
Customize, upgrade. Something like that. So why are all of these spawning at the center instead of wherever you're supposed to be spawning, buddy?
I mean, I get rid of like the Dante the cat part and say like customize and upgrade your cards to battle your way through the depths of the underworld. You have card, use card for strong. Cat is not 9 life. 9 circle of heck. Live heart. What are you saying?
No, that might be a good description. You have card. You use card for strong.
Yeah.
Car is not 9 life. 9 circle of heck. Live hard. Yeah. I get it. No, that fucks.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah. I can fuck with that.
Do you think I should? I think I want to include Dante in here somewhere.
Probably,
like saying Dante is the cat.
Oh, so they know Dante's the cat and not the gun.
Yeah, well, it could be
Gungeon. Like,
yeah. I mean, if Gungeon can have like a square gun and like a noodle gun, then like you could have a cat gun. That's Dante.
Wow. You're so brave.
The floppy AK-47 is a pretty goated gun, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm a big fan of the, What is your favorite Gungeon gun that you can think of currently?
Fuck. Oh, no, dude. Get out of here. Get out of here. Cheap viewers. My ass. God, my favorite Gungeon gun that I can think of? Fuck.
No, I can't think of any either.
I can't. Now that you asked me that, I think I'm actually so pissed. I think if you didn't ask me that, I think I could have like said, "Oh, this is my favorite Gungeon gun." If you just said nothing, but now that you asked me what it is, I'm like, I can't think of a single fucking gun from the game. My mind was already going to answer that question, and you asked it. So now I have to pull up a list of fucking guns on the Gungeon wiki.
Were you actually?
Yes. I was going to answer that, and my mind had something in mind.
The guns don't display like what the projectile is, and it makes me sad because I want to look at all the different guns, like the projectiles for the individual guns. It shows like the enemy projectiles. I guess we can look through this together. Why not?
I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to remember which ones stick out to me.
I haven't seen like half of these. I forgot how many guns there are. That's a lot of guns. The regular shotgun's pretty good. Elephant gun's kind of fun.
The shot grip's funny, but
oh, I love this. The shot grip is pretty good.
Is that the flaccid one? Yeah.
Oh, that is. Okay. I thought it was like the. That was called something else.
Nope.
Shot bow.
I don't like the crown of guns. This is one of my least favorite guns. I hate it so much.
It's fun, but it's so bad.
There's also the gun that shoots you shoot so fast you shoot backwards or you move backwards.
I have not gotten that one.
The heck gun is actually, or the heck blaster is also like I really like this one.
Oh, it's I don't know. I felt like it was really bad when I used it. Maybe I just suck.
By the way,
but...
we're not even halfway down the page. We have to add this many guns to our game as well, and or like cards specifically.
yeah, we can get there.
Oh, is the rad gun the one that you can time it? Yeah, that's also cool.
I have not seen that one. I genuinely haven't seen like at least half of these.
I really hate the ones you have to charge.
Yeah, they're not my favorite either.
Demon Head's sick, as always.
Demon Head's really good, yeah.
Yeah, I would recommend Gungeon. I think Gungeon's great.
It's so fun. I don't know. It
goes on
maybe took
sale
me a little
often,
bit to get into
I
it,
think.
but it's very fun.
There's also the fish gun I haven't
The
seen yet.
Origami is pretty fun.
Oh yeah, the planes.
I got that one on the run that I made it to the
Sounds
secret
good.
level.
This is a sick gun.
I hate that gun.
He hates the lowercase
It's
r so
so
much.
bad. It's like worse than the default.
Hmm.
Bro, scrolling so fast.
Yeah, dude. These all the. What are these? Oh, yeah. I don't know, man.
Wait, go back. What's the one at the bottom there?
Bottom of here or?
No, the bottom of the other one. That's the. Yeah, that's the one if you get like spawns if you take like a bunch of damage. That one's really sick. There's like a special item that if you take like if you get to a low enough health, it'll like give you a ridiculously overpowered gun for like a little bit of time.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
This one is it? Yeah, barrel. I like this one. It shoots out fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got that one. I
Yeah, it's
beat
sick. What's so bad about the gun?
whatever his
The
name,
gun, it's a lowercase r.
What's his name?
It shoots out the word
does-
bullet. It shoots out like a stream of bullets, and it goes bullet, and it just shoots out the letters that spell out bullet, and each one is an individual bullet, and it's sick. And he hates it for no reason, by the way.
Yeah.
No reason whatsoever. Bum, bum, bum.
Oh, the M16 is really good. It's like really basic, but it's really good because it's like it's like one of the alternating ones. So one mag is a machine gun, and the other one's a grenade launcher, and it has like really good damage.
Bullet. Yeah.
And it has a ton of ammo, and you can also kind of like ammo scum with it by shooting like one bullet of the machine gun and then using the rest reloading, and then you get the grenade launcher that does a ton more damage but has less ammo
Yeah.
because it has like 500 some ammo, and it always pulls from the same pool.
See, they all go to the center, and I don't know why.
It's very fun.
Hmm. Is it because this needs to be deferred? No, that didn't do it. Hmm. I don't understand why these are all clumping to the center, because they definitely shouldn't be. From everything that I can understand that this code is doing, they shouldn't be clumping to the center, but here we are. Where's the card deletion thing? What is it called? Do you remember what the card fall off thing?
Card
Activate? Are you calling? Is it card activate animation?
Activate animation.
Yeah, it is. You're
What
right.
am I supposed to call it? Yeah, it is.
You're right. It is. Me parent called.
That
a
way, if we
frig
change it
canvas
later to
through
like
cars.
not be a dissolve, then it won't. Yeah, that's not a
Devolve?
good reason, but yeah, devolve.
Why'd you say devolve?
The devolver
Why'd you say devolve? From Gungeon?
from Enter the Gungeon.
Enter Gungeon
The
devolve?
devolver? I don't remember what the devolver does. Oh yeah, doesn't it turn them into like really weak enemies?
Maybe.
If you shoot the guy,
Why
I'm
did
pretty sure it
this-
does.
Why did this need to do a... Huh? What the fuck? Okay, dude, whatever. Why are you moving? Why are you moving? You shouldn't be moving. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, no, I'm thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, I kind of want to change that animation for sure.
What is it?
The
The activate.
yeah.
Yeah, I feel like, I mean, it should have something when you activate it.
Activate it.
Activate it.
What if we just like made it go up in the air the entire time?
You. I mean, do you think it should have the default?
Yeah, I think it should devolve it.
Yeah, devolve.
Straight up devolving my shit
What's
right
the name?
now.
Is it Volvy?
Hmm?
Is the guy Volvy? Is that his name?
Who?
The mascot? The Devolver mascot.
Oh man. Why is this? Okay, I have a couple questions for you,
They're
JW.
literally. Okay, the question is, what's the ugliest mascot? Or what's the ugliest
No,
mascot?
sorry, that's not a
Volvy
question.
or,
We have the answer.
But Volvy's pretty ugly.
What is?
Guess he's not that bad compared to a Gopher or whatever.
What's ugly? What,
Volvy?
Volvy?
Devolver mascot?
Devolver
Pretty sure it's
mascot?
Devolver.
Volvy? What the fuck is this
How
thing?
have you not heard of Volvy?
I never heard of this motherfucker. This thing?
Yeah.
Dog. No, I don't like that. It's definitely, he still definitely doesn't lose. But like
It's not as bad as Gopher, but it's pretty close.
it's
pretty
definitely
close.
not as bad as Gopher.
But I feel like Gopher is like a kind of likable bad.
Choose your
Volvy
fighter,
is just
dude.
kind of like bad.
Choose your
Like, I
fighter,
don't-
man.
Honestly, I'd take Gopher.
You take Gopher? No.
Yeah, he's just like silly. He's a
No.
goober.
No. Okay, so the actual
Volvy's just like,
question
what
that I
is
have
that thing?
is why does this have an activate animation for dissolve, but it also has a timer that determines when it gets deleted?
Don't ask.
Okay, my fault. You're right. My bad, OG.
Because I made this like
My bad, OG. You're right.
look at the oops, I accidentally hit the mute button on my mic.
Hmm.
Look at the whatever history and see what I made it.
Oh no, the animation
probably
plays at
been, like,
quarter
over
speed.
a
Why
year.
the fuck does the animation play at quarter speed? Why did we
I
do
don't
that?
know. Because I thought it would be a good idea. Okay, well I think I still don't like this. Yeah. Description.
Wait, what? Oh.
So I changed it instead of.
Ooh.
So I kind of just like swapped out what I had. So now it's your Dante cat, and you must customize and upgrade your cards to battle through the depths of the underworld.
Mm-hmm.
But it still sounds a little weird.
Yeah, a little
Yes,
bit.
okay.
That's fine.
But I don't know what's better. I mean, I definitely like the having the customize and upgrade cards. But like I did like how it was worded before, where it kind of wasn't just like naming out a list of features. It was kind of like making it sound interesting.
Yeah.
Because like the first sentence is kind of like a here's what the game is in like one sentence, and then it's like here's why it's cool and you should get it, and then here's like a yeah. I mean, it's not like people read into this and are like, oh, this sounds cool. I'm only gonna buy it based off of what the description says, but
Yeah.
actually like 90% of people just completely ignore this. But because actually what most people do is they skim through the trailer and then they skim through the screenshots, and if it doesn't look good, then they instantly leave.
This guy like
Um,
hates people.
Yeah,
By the way,
no, I don't.
he hates people.
Not true. Only Billidic.
Hey, minus 45.
Minus 45. I kind of want a way of saying like if you can customize cards to customize and upgrade cards, but it's like at that point I would need like an extra sentence, and it's like.
Yeah. I was just thinking that. I agree. Whatever you just said, yeah, totally. Yeah.
You could add as. How do you like this? That's better. That's better. So now it's so the full thing is Dante's 9 is a roguelite action platform refused with a deck builder where you use powerful cards to augment your combat abilities. Customize and upgrade your cards to battle through the depths of the underworld as Dante the cat. Can you reach the 9th circle before it's too late? I think that's good enough.
Yeah, I think so. Probably.
Because that kind of makes it so like the upgrading and customizing cards is like more important than like playing as Dante the cat.
Yeah, which isn't exactly true.
Hierarchy. Yeah, obviously cat is like more important.
Like way more important, yeah.
Way more important.
Oh fuck. I didn't think I had that.
And by the way, that last thing of like, can you reach the 9th circle before it's too late is like completely just made up. I don't know what that's talking about whatsoever.
I do. Don't
tell
lie to people.
anybody.
We know what that is. No, we know what that is completely. We know what we're talking about. We have plans.
No, we don't.
No, we literally know what that is. We know so much what that is. All this does is queue free. You fucking bastard. You walk into my home.
Oh, and I'm also going to change the feature list so it's not like really bad.
Yeah.
Because technically Steam wants you to have a list of features, but I'm gonna at least change it. So customizable cards.
It's like not actually doing anything with the mana, is it? Oh no, this actually does nothing with the mana currently. And it should. Right? Wait. Well, hold on. Wait. Maybe the answer is no. Maybe the deck shouldn't know about mana at all. Maybe we leave that up to the card. Unactivated. We could do stats dot remove mana cost. Oh shit. Skin cast, attack does what? Oh shit, I don't have the... I forgot to add mana regen to the player, so the mana just sits there at 5 until I walk up and... Oh no, I don't get mana for hitting enemies anymore. I believe this will also crash if I do like restore mana, right? Yeah. What you doing, JW?
I'm rewriting some of the stuff in the description for the store page. Sorry, I'm just trying to think through things. Again, I can't really legally show it on screen.
Fair enough.
Technically, I'm obviously not gonna get like killed for it, but
Maybe you do. Who knows?
I did. It's possible, and I don't risk it. So, because I'm pretty sure if I scroll down to the bottom here, it says Valve Confidential. This restricted access page contains Valve confidential information. You must have a non-disclosure and/or a license agreement covering confidential information with Valve to use or access this page. Thank you, Valve. So, yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. So even you're not allowed to see it. 'Cause
I'm not
you
allowed to
haven't
see it.
signed an NDA.
No.
Yeah, it's over.
Cool. That like mostly works, it looks like. And if I were to run in there, draw a hand, you need to be a
Okay,
feature
they're still
list.
kind of terrible, but literally nobody actually reads a feature list, so.
Yeah, okay. Sure, dude. Keep telling yourself that. Where's the feature list on Steam? I don't even know where that is.
It's like in the description.
Okay.
I think, I mean, maybe it's not a thing anymore, but when I went through like a tutorial on making a Steam page, it said that it was required that you have to have a list of features.
Okay, I think it's time to end stream. I'm getting tired. I'm starting
Yeah,
to
that's
crash
fair.
a little bit.
I got my background done. I didn't design any cards, but I fixed the description. Actually, did I?
Yeah, the deck code
changed it in
is
both
at a point
places.
that I think I'm happy about this.
Let me go ahead and
Plus or minus a
publish
couple
the
of things that need to be
changes
fixed.
before I forget to.
The new deck code is in and does things somewhat. Oh, cool. Oh, that's unrelated.
Cool.
Yeah, because there's things that add charges on hit, but that's not a thing that we
Okay,
want
last
anymore.
coffee for the day. I love coffee. I work at a coffee shop.
This is
I
true.
drank lots of coffee this morning. We will see you next time.
Oh, is that true? Is that what we're
Should
doing?
join
Or we just
the Discord because Bitlytic is cool.
that's almost
Or you could
right.
join my Discord and tell me how to improve the game. If you join the Discord and tell me to add stuff, I will add stuff.
That's probably true.
Whoa, Temper, that's epic. So true. I'm always right.
All right.
Well, goodbye.
Yeah,
Are we rating anybody? Do we have anybody?
I don't
to
think
rate?
so.
We probably don't.
I don't feel
Everybody hates us. Oh, I hate us
particularly
on Baby
energized
Vision
anymore.
again on a blank screen. 'Cause
No, we are at one viewer on Twitch, so we're fine. We can just run it
well,
out.
goodbye, everybody.
Good night, everyone.